2 weeks time to file the rejoinder. List the matter on 1920 के बंदे 920
That's it. Item
20th
11th we come to 11th we consume
ए commencing में लिखे नहीं मैं पूरा perfect date दिया वो commencing लिखे लिखे का किसी माने नहीं 11th आसु 11th Oh, 11th.
Let's say item number 55.
Who is the opposite party?
State. That
State.
is- yes.
Okay, private opposite party नहीं
No. That is criminal division now.
oh criminal again.
LCR ta assi nahi. 1 week after.
55 था
Yes.
okay land comes for the petitioner you are for the petitioner
Yes.
6 weeks time as the LCR is not yet LCR I see
No. Notation not.
not yet received by this court. When do you want? 18?
Yes.
18?
Yes.
and maybe pardon your
Yours?
lordship.
Item
Item number 50
50.
my lord.
Who is the opposite party?
My
I am
lord,
the opposite.
Oh, yeah, both are.
Huh.
Okay, fine.
and we adjourn one in the meantime we are trying for amicable settlement.
Fine, you
It's a rape case and discharge petition is under
rape
challenge.
case amiable settlement नहीं है
नहीं,
वाह, कितने वो तो criminal parties को तो ले गया
Hey, we are trying for if,
हाँ,
if in the
amicable
meantime
settlement
marriage
हाँ,
marriage could be
marriage
settled.
को वाला भी settlement हुआ नहीं
To that effect 1 week time में
वाह वाह सारी जाएगी पुलिस को कहो काली पुलिस करी कोर्ट रो परमिशन दरकार
1 week
बाय जानते जो जरा देखिए
that is the sole ground.
but it is like a reward a rapist will marry then it is like a reward is it so that should not be allowed but anyway if you are amicably settling things and considering your rural areas
that is
rural
what-
areas
Rural that is the mane,
Adivasi
no, not Adivasi but rustic villagers say let's say.
ଆମ ସବୁ କ୍ରିମିନାଲ ଲକୁ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରି ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରିବେ ନୂଆ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେବାକୁ ଯାଉଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଏଇ ଥିଓରିଟା ନେଇକି ଯୋଡ଼ି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସେଥିରେ
That's
ଏ ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରୋଭିଜନ ରହିବା ଦରକାର
Change.
ଏକ୍ସେପସନ ପ୍ରୋଭିଜନ
ପାଠ ଭୁଲିଯିବ ଆମେ।
ଏକ୍ସେପସନ ପ୍ରୋଭିଜନ ହଁ ସମସ୍ତେ ଏବେ ଆଉ ଥରେ ଘୋଷିବ ସେକ୍ସନ ଗୁଡାକ 420 କଣ ହଉଛି ସେତେବେଳେ 420 ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ସେକ୍ସନ ଥିବ ଭୁଲିବ ସବୁ You
ସବୁ
This is
ଭୁଲିଯିବୁ
big
ଯାହା
problem.
ସବୁ ଭୁଲିଯିବୁ।
anyway everybody will forget पुलिस वाला ସବୁଠୁ ବେଶୀ difficult face କରିବେ ଏବେ ପୁରା ଘୋଷି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ 10 ଥର ବହି ଖୋଲିବେ ଖାଲି anyway when do you want
1 week after
12 ରେ ଆସ
obliged.
Pardon me, Lord, item number 10. Honorable Mr. Acharya, kindly.
सर आइटम नंबर 10 भितरे कहीं मेंशनिंग करिवे नहीं केते थर कहबी 1 to 10 no mentioning is allowed please sit down there wait for your turn
Yes,
don't
Lord.
come just हठात उठी आसिले 1 to 10
Yes,
1 to 10 बसी परिबेनी 10 मिनिट बसी परिबेनी
Yes, my lord.
ଆଉ ମୁଁ କଣ କାନ୍ଥ ବାଡ ଗାନ୍ଧୀ ଫଟୋ କୁ ଦେଖିକି ମୁଁ
No,
କୋଟ
no.
କରିବି
Pardon.
ଆଉ ଟିକେ ବସିବେ ଲୋକ ହେଲେ ଭିଡ ହେଲେ ଭଲ ଲାଗିବ ନା ମତେ ବି okay next
Supplementary list, item 1.
1
My lordship, my only humble prayer, page 14 of my application. That's it, just
page
14 of
कौन
my
इशू कौन
issue which 452 application was filed on my behalf. He said that trial is not concluded, so he rejected my application.
what is the application for sir what is the ground for that
No, I
application
want-
कहि देले कोन थिला से कहलिन
452.
सर कहन ग्राउंड कोन नहीं थिले आपण
Move rounds it, say A. That though he rejected, but he mentioned in the order that the trial is continuing, which is not correct. Trial has not yet commenced.
कोन हेतिला खटना रे कहंतु
Yes,
हां
the complainant had given money to purchase a land. from the
Purchase a?
accused- Purchase a land
लैंड
from the accused person. He failed and cheated him and did not register the land. Equally also, he did not refund the money to him.
okay
So for which an FIR was lost. Then thereafter he moved this Honorable High Court. The Honorable High Court granted him bail with a condition that you deposit the 63 lakhs, the consideration amount of 63. So you deposit before the trial.
he didn't deposit
He didn't deposit.
so why didn't you go for cancellation of bail
No,
file
Your
करियो?
Lordship. Thereafter, this Honorable Court also directed the Commissioner of Police to arrest him because he's a defaulter.
ठीक है but
In-
when you are saying that the
Warrant is still there.
the bail was granted on the basis of on the condition that he had to deposit. So if he had to deposit the amount, if he has not deposited, why don't you just
Honorable High Court
bring-
will
bring
warrant the bill.
That's one of the Katha na.
Right.
Suppose that court has said on the deposit of 61,000, 61 lakh. So how could without depositing that bail was granted? Condition.
But that was a condition of the bail, that you deposit
If it is not,
in
full,
installment, 20 lakhs first,
he paid 20 lakh.
paid, deposited 20 lakhs and the balance in installment. That 63
Installment
lakhs.
kept complete होती तारा period ta.
6 months, within 6 months.
So
22
when was the bail granted?
22.
When was the bail
June
granted? in
22, this order was
So you
passed.
should have gone and cancelled, got the bail cancelled.
No, warrant was also issued. Subsequently, he came for quashing. The honorable court said that you are not deposited, you are a defaulter and you are coming for quashing. Dismissed the quashing application. Equally, again sent a
So
reminder.
you also do that, they get the bail also cancelled. Because you not fulfilled the
No, warrant he did, sir.
Warrant who?
How cancel?
How cancel can go?
He's a absconder. No, your lordship
Absconder.
is correct. He's a absconder. Then the learned trial court also issued a reminder to the commissioner of police that to arrest him. But he's moving around and the police somewhat is not
So
arresting.
now your ground is what? Here in
Yes,
452,
your
what is the ground?
Yes, your lordship. Now in the order of rejection, 452 se कहदेले जे नहीं एक पर्यंत trial has commenced and it is not concluded, so the money cannot be paid. 452 होची जो amount टा deposit करिची से करिची accused. I wanted
पैसा
that-
अब नेबाको चाहन्छु.
I
Also correct. Without deciding the matter how whether you are paid, not paid, it is not clear how the court.
charge has been framed. All
आपण
docu-
check रे ଦେଇଥିଲେ ନା
I can check.
check.
I-
ସେଟା ତ proof
ସିଏ
ଥିବ
ବି admit କରିଛନ୍ତି ହାଇକୋର୍ଟରେ ଯୋଉ affidavit ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ସେ admit କରିଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ମୁଁ 30 lakhs ପାଇଛି check ରେ ସେ admit କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ମୁଁ ଏଇଟା ବିକି ଦେଲେ ଜମିଟା
Let's do one thing. I'm remitting it back, stating that they will look into the veracity of the claim of the present petitioner since he is paid in check, and on verifying that he can give it. There is no doubt about your paying. So okay. Learn consult the petitioner. Submit that his application under section 452 seeking release of the amount of rupees 27 lakh 16,666. 27 lakh 16,666. 20 lakhs 27 lakh 16,666 may be released in his favor, since he has sufficient proof to show that he has paid the amount to the accused. How can they pay kariba se?
63 lakhs total amount.
Total 27 ଦେଇଛି already. ଆଉ ବାକିଟା ଦେବ.
Done.
Okay. Since the petitioner is what is your need necessary କଣ?
No, wife for a treatment,
କଣ ହେଇଛି କହିଲ?
wife for a breast cancer.
Okay. Since the petitioner is in the dire need of the amount to treat his wife who is suffering from cancer. Full stop. The learned, considering the facts and circumstances of the present case, the BMFC LR Bhubaneswar is directed to release the said amount upon verifying the documents and the details of the payment along with the along with the details of the ଆପଣ ସେ bank ରେ ଯୋଉ deposit ତାର ବି
Some
account of detail ଧରିକି
I-
and they should verify na. And upon satisfaction of the same, the court upon satisfaction, the court shall do the needful so that the petitioner can meet his financial requirement urgently. This is urgent financial requirement. Disclosure. Next. Next.
Item 2,
May I please your lordship?
If the court so desires, it can rest of the amount. It can I think. Yes.
May I please, my lords? My lord, OTS application filed earlier was allowed, even time extension was granted, but
What is that application?
let me just 1 minute, my lord. I failed to pay that. Out of 33 lakhs, I paid 30 lakhs, I paid 20.55 lakhs.
You are for the
I am the petitioner,
petitioner.
my lord. Then
Rule reversal.
my lord,
Today, rule reversal. You are always appearing for the bank now.
sometimes we change sides, my lord.
Change sides. Don't change floor.
No, we don't.
Changing side is okay. Yes.
So, your lordship, finally, I approached the bank.
Hmm.
Now, pursuant to which annexure 4 was issued, page 15. Make a fresh proposal, they said.
What is the total outstanding balance?
They have agreed to consider. I have filed the application.
With the banker.
Bank of India. Now, only grievance is, my
Notice,
lord.
notice has not been issued.
Notice
time.
not issued is come only if your lordship could direct them to come, because I am taking your lordship page 15. My lord will be
Why
satisfied.
direct consider, sir? Let them come here. We will consider here only.
I have already paid out of 10 lakhs, 7 lakhs recently.
Let him come in here. Resolve the issue here only. Why should they be unnecessary?
I don't think there is an issue, your lordship. Why?
Hmm.
Your lordship may kindly bear with me, page 15.
Sir, just a minute. I will write reconsider the application, representation, blah blah blah. Again, podithibo. Ethi kai solve karna debe. Let it be solved here. I believe in solving here.
Your lordship, may I further pray, your lordship?
I don't want to become a post peon.
No, your lordship should not be. With your lordship is passing definite orders.
ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସେ ଆସୁ ଏଠି
We
order
also
pass
have we appreciate that, my lord. But one thing your lordship may add, pendency of the writ petition may not be barred to consider. So that maybe everything will be over by the time they
Let
come.
the banker come, na sir. I am not passing any order except calling the banker. Who is the Indian bank? Mr. Tuna Sahu. He's here. How consequence? He's here.
Always available. Very nice of
Mr.
you.
Sahu is very sincere banking counsel.
Very rich.
Niyantu,
Very rich also. He's Sahukar, my lord.
I know that. His house is a very palaces building he has.
Your lordship need not look at the house. There is much beneath that.
Beneath I don't know, but outer part I have seen. Okay, you just take instruction. You take. Okay, issue notice to the Bank of India. Learn Tuna Sah, who usually appears for Bank of India, who is present in the court, accepts the notice. On the request of the court, he accepts the notice. With the president of the court, on the request of the court, on the request of the court, he accepts the notice on behalf of the Bank of India. And 6 to 1 week, why 3 days? Tuesday, Tuesday. 6 to take instruction, 3 days time to take instruction. List the matter on 4th rasu. Hala. Sita jaldi sir.
Sir. No.
We'll close here. Why should they should take credit. The court should take credit.
The fast justice, I never knew that he's available.
Huh?
Justice, fast justice, man.
ଆପଣ ଯଦି ନେଇକିରି ଆସିବେ ନା ଅପୋଜିଟ୍ ସାଇଡ୍ ବହୁତ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ହେଇଯିବେ ନହେଲେ ନୋଟିସ୍ ଯିବ ସେ ଆଣିବ ସେ ଫାଇଲ୍ କରିବ ଏମିତି ଚାଲିବ କାଉଣ୍ଟର ରିଜେଣ୍ଡର ସର୍ କରି ଚାଲିଥିବ ଏଇଟା ଫାଲତୁ ଜଣ unnecessary time taking ଏଇ କେସ୍ ଗୁଡାକ ପ୍ରାୟ କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା ହେଇଯାଏ hope it will be resolved. Okay, next.
Item 3.
My lord, I am in Vichy, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, the representation of the petitioner to prepone his regularization because he is a Ganashikyak, my lord, that is pending before the opposite party number 1 by the annexure 10, my lord.
ଆପଣ କଣ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ପୁଣି ଦେବେ ସେଠିକି ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ କରିବି ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ବିଲକୁଲ ମୁଁ କରିବିନି ଆପଣ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଟ୍ ଆୱେ ଆପଣ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ନିଅନ୍ତୁ
My lord, it is covered under this court's judgment by 316.
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ସାର୍ ଟିକେ ଅଟକନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ ହେଲ୍ପ ଆପଣ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ନିଅନ୍ତୁ if it is covered under that case, okay, land council of the state to take instruction as to whether the present petitioner is covered under Dhananjay Charan Dei order passed by this court on Kebukar order.
My lord, 5/3/2020, my lord.
5/3/2021 in petition number
31679 of 2011, my lord.
31679
My lord.
of 2011. which travel up to Supreme Court, Vide, SLP number kete? Kuhantu? Kichi କହିବେନି ଖାଲି ଆସିକିରି representation ଦେଇଛୁ ବୋଲି କହିବେ ବିନା information ରେ ପଳେଇ ଆଉଛନ୍ତି କେତେ SLP number କଣ ମିନିମମ୍ ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ କେସ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଖାଲି ଏପେକ୍ସ କୋଡ୍ ଲେଖିଦେବେ ଏପେକ୍ସ କୋଡ୍ କେତେ ନମ୍ବର ଲେଖିବେନି ଏ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଏଥିରେ ଏପେକ୍ସ କୋଡ୍ ବୋଲେ କଣ ହବ କେତେ ନମ୍ବର ଲେଖିବେନି
Sorry, my lord.
ସରି କହିଲେ ହବନି ଏଟା it is a minimum mistake you are committing this fundamental thing you must know this ଯେତେବେଳେ କେସ୍ ଟେ ରେଫର କରିବେ ସେ କେସ୍ ର ନମ୍ବର ଦେବେ ଡେଟ୍ ନଥିଲେ ବି ନମ୍ବର ଏଟଲିଷ୍ଟ ଦେବେ ଆପଣ ପାଖରେ ଅଛି and ତାପରେ release the matter on 20th
Oblige,
Next.
my
Item 4,
4
In the year 2004, I availed a loan of rupees 1,50,000 from the bank.
2004
Sir,
okay
I submitted a promissory note authorizing deduction from my salary, that is on 30th of January 2004.
so
Date
you
is
should, you should pronote to the bank sorry the opposite
yes,
party
yes, bank.
Hmm.
This date is important, my lord, 30th January 2004.
Why the party this medical officer come
Because he is my disbursing and
Okay.
authority, my
so
lord.
you are
Under whom I am working, my lord.
so you are what are you there
I am a pharmacist.
pharmacist okay
So this promissory note was issued on 30th of January 2004.
yes
Your lordship may see annexure 2. Bank filed a suit before the Learned Senior Division Baripada for realization of the aforesaid amount, making the bank as well as my employer a part. Sorry, bank is the plaintiff,
Hmm.
making me and my employer a party, my lord.
Hmm.
The suit was pending. Suppressing this fact, my lord,
Hmm.
bank approached this honorable court for the purpose of enforcement of promissory note of the year 2004.
Hmm.
Now the Honorable High Court passed a very innocuous order. Your lordship may see page 29.
I have seen that
Yes,
Hmm.
that notice was never been sent to me. And can a promissory note of the year 2004 be enforced in the year 2023? It is barred by limitation, my lord.
of course it can't be
Yes.
There is
So
time-
what you cannot do
like-
directly,
it's like-
or
it's like-
indirectly.
it is one though it is a negotiable instrument it has
Yes.
always a date
Section 4, my lord.
Yeah.
Yes. So what you cannot do directly, you are doing it indirectly. And there you have filed a suit suppressing this, my lord. You have approached this honorable court. The bank didn't disclose that they had filed a suit.
Why did he approach this court
Sir,
what is the cause of action
for realization of the amount, my lord.
so sued from to then to this court why
I don't know, my lord. That
suit was pending then he's come to
yes, my lord. I do not know the status of the suit, but I have annexed 2. Annexed 2 is the suit filed by the
but
bank.
you have become defaulter when the account was classified as NPA
No, my lord. NPA nahi hai. Securitization doesn't apply to me, my lord. There's no mortgage.
okay so this is basically on schematic housing loan
Yes, sir. There are lakh टका आ गया.
housing loan on some scheme must be some
Yes.
scheme
And
This
now
OGB housing
Yes.
loan scheme
Now they have decided to deduct from my salary annexure 4, which is impugned before your lordship. That this is the cause of action for which I have come.
so why don't you do one thing କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା ଏବେ ହଉଛି ତାଙ୍କର outstanding
Sir, ସେ ଗୋଟେ କରିକି
problem solve କରିଦେବା ଏଠି sir
Sir, ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଏଇଠି କରିଦେବା.
that's what I'm saying ଏ problem ବହୁତ easy solve ହେଇଯାଉଛି ଏଠି ମୁଁ ତ ପଞ୍ଚାୟତି କରୁଛି ଟିକେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ matter
Your lordship using a good office, not panchayat.
ମାନେ ନାଇଁ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ପଞ୍ଚାୟତରେ ହିଁ କାମ ହେଇଯାଉଛି ଆଉ କାହିଁ unnecessary ଇଏ ଯିବେ ଆପଣ କାଉଣ୍ଟର ରିଜେଣ୍ଡର
In line with your lordship suggestion, what I pray, my lord,
Hmm.
let them not realize, let them come, we'll settle it, and I'll pay, my lord. OTS.
କେତେ କେତେ
Sir, कितनी sir ଜଣେଇ ନାହାନ୍ତି 2004 ର sir.
but ଆପଣ
No, sir, I have been asking them, you please supply me information how much I have paid.
but
what is
how much the your EMI was fixed
Say no,
at that
it was supposed to be deducted 1084 टका from my salary.
every month
Yes.
they deducted till what time
No idea, my lord. I do not have also idea. I asked them supply me information, and in fact, Mala, I am willing to settle the account, my lord. I am not
Okay,
running away from the liability.
let's do that like let counsel the petitioner submits that the petitioner had taken a loan under OGB what that loan called
No, OGB is Odisha Gramya Bank, madam.
No, OGB is a scheme run. OGB housing loan, I think.
Housing.
Under the OGB housing loan. And he had submitted a pro note containing an unconditional undertaking signed by him to pay a certain sum of money only to certain person. Therefore, the said pro note can only be enforced within the time stipulated thereunder. Full stop. Therefore, the bank cannot be allowed to do something indirectly, which could indirectly, which the bank under the indirectly, which could be done directly. In the meantime, the bank has also filed a suit before which court?
Learned Civil Judge Senior Division Baripada.
Learned Civil Judge Senior Division Baripada to realize the loaned amount. So you are now you're agreed by which order?
I am agreed by Annexure 4, my lord. Page 31.
Okay. The petitioner is agreed by the letter dated 15/9/2023
3, my lord.
issued by the bank, opposite party bank, seeking but here what is, there is nothing imminent urgency.
No, my lord.
Yeah.
Kindly recover the dues by deducting his salary.
Okay.
Second paragraph.
Is affected by the said order, wherein it has been instructed to deduct his salary. You are still working or your
Yes, yes, ma'am.
salary based on the irrecoverable undertaking submitted to the bank. Considering the above facts, the presence of bank is necessary, hence issue notice to Odisha Gramya Bank, Bhubaneswar.
No, sir. Baripada.
I think Mr. Tunas have also for OGB, no, Mr. Mahanti.
Sir, no, sir. Baripada, sir. Moyurubhanj, sir.
But Arvindo Mahanti generally appears. Just give him a copy. He generally appears for the bank, OGB. So just if you can give, it can be solved easily. Anyway, both by hand or by let notice be issued to the opposite party bank by registered post, and the petitioners, the petitioner shall also try to hand over a copy of the petition to the council who usually appears to Mr. Arvind Mahanti, who usually appears on behalf of the Odisha Gramya Bank. Full stop. Let the request be filed within 3 working days from today. I'll list the matter. I'm giving short date. So, 4th, 6th, 7th. In the meantime, there shall be, what is the IA?
Not to effect recovery, my
Okay.
lord.
In the meantime, the bank is restrained to,
No, my lord. My.
no,
employer-
just prayer.
Two,
In the
yes.
meantime, the opposite party number 2 is directed to not to deduct any amount from the salary of the present petitioner towards the loan account till the next date, okay? Till the next date of loan. That's it. Okay, next.
Item 5,
May I please-
5,
May I please, Your Lord. Your Lordship, the petitioner's bank account has been frozen by the opposite party bank. That matter, similar matter. has
why
been,
it was
Your Lordship-
frozen, sir?
Sorry,
कुछ तो किए होंगे. Why it was frozen?
because of one of the accused person who is related to the present petitioner. Present
Eh,
petitioner
how
is the
he related?
mother of the one of the accused, Your Lordship. There is
Mother
a-
related है कौन? पूरा mother पूरा एकदम blood relation, thick
Blood-
relation.
blood relation है, लेकिन
How
वो-
mother
there
है
is a-
पूरा.
the present petitioner is not an accused.
Maybe तो गोटे घर बहुत लोगों से डायरेक्शन दिया जाए.
नहीं accuse नहीं कि
न थाई पारे
is not in the
सर न थाई
affair.
पारे बट मनी ट्रेल जाए सेति बाउंड करंती
He is not in-
stop the money trail, stop the money
He
trail.
is not in the affair, your lordship, since the
I know
account.
sir, he is not in the affair, कोने संपर्क न थाउ
Neither the
mother
charge
is
sheet
the
also.
संपर्क ना
ହଁ
ଆଉ
mother
फिर ଆଉ कोनटा
ଝିଅଟା ସିଏ କଷ୍ଟଡିରେ ଅଛି
हां तो
ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ପୁରା ଏଣ୍ଟାର ସେ
କଣ କରିବେ?
ସବୁ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ଗୁଡା
एया होई क्राइम कलर
ନେଦର ଅଲସୋ ଇନ୍
क्राइम क्राइम कलर क्या हबो
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଇଏ
क्राइम करिवो
the
एटा
present petitioner is not involved at all. Your lordship.
maybe that is you are saying but bank doesn't think so.
Similar matters your lordship has quoted to 11th 12
It is 11
regarding the
11 12
instructor.
class. Let the matter be
My learned friend may be instructor from the IAC yours.
same IC
हाँ same IAC Vikram Pro FCI.
copy दे देंगे
हाँ
और copy दे 11 next
5 6 7 7
5 6 7
yes
next
development.
item 8,
8
So disengagement of Jogan Sahak Malot
why
on the ground of negligence.
negligence कौन neglect करे
So Lordship may kindly have a glance at annexer.
कौन कॉले वाला glance at next कौन कॉले अपन कौन तू
No notice.
नहीं नो नोटिस
Actually-
नोटिस पछे देखा जीवो अपन कौन कॉले मते कोन दो
Actually, there was no allocation.
sir I am asking you what is the allegation against you बस एक ही
No allegation.
नो allegation केंति करते मो एंति कथा हुई
There was no allocation of rights.
allegation नहीं हुई अपन कौन कॉले वाली सन allegation थिरा मते कोन दो
ସେମାନେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି April, May, June ରେ there was no allocation of rights, so there was no distribution on that ground because no other
no
document,
allocation that's why no distribution
no
right?
distribution,
No
and I have annexed those documents.
अपन देख ले प्लेस पे 26
And the-
hereby disengaged from his duties of PDS distribution in the said GP. The order is made due to his negligence in duties reported by the additional CS of Hon'Ble.
where is that report where is the additional CSO report
It was not served on me, nothing.
care one
Again. ମୋ ପାଖରେ ତ କିଛି ନାହିଁ and
you get the report land constable the state is directed to
may
get the report of additional CSO Kandhamal
ମୁଁ ଟିକେ ଖାଲି ଦେଖି
dated
ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଦି ତିନିଟା
27/10/2023 ହେଲା list the matter on 8
ମୁଁ ଖାଲି ଦି ତିନିଟା ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ବି ଦେଖି ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତି
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆସନ୍ତୁ
Okay.
ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ତ ମେନ୍ ଜିନିଷ ନାହିଁ ଆଉ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ବାକି ଦେଖିଲେ କଣ ମିଳିବ ରିପୋର୍ଟ କଣ ସିଏସଓ ଦେଲା ସେ ରିପୋର୍ଟଟା ଦେଖେ ମୁଁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଅଟକନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଆଣୁ ରିପୋର୍ଟ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ତାପରେ ମେନ୍ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଆଉ କଣ ଅଛି ଦେଖିବେ ସେଦିନ
ଆଜ୍ଞା 8 ତାରିଖ
8 ଆସୁ
item 9,
ଓବଲେଟ୍
9
may I please your lordship. My lord, your lordship saw order under annexure 1,
what is the order sir
order was to complete selection process as per advertisement dated 12/3/2018 and scrutiny list published on 29/3/2008.
କୋଉଠି ଅର୍ଡରଟା
Direct order, my
ଅର୍ଡର
lord,
କାହିଁ
at
ହଁ
at page 6, my lord, running page 6, 7 and 9. 9, the order is at page 9.
क्या हुआ land constable the state to take instruction list the matter on 14th
Advertisement has issued under
sir
annexure.
ଟିକେ ଅଟକନ୍ତୁ instruction ତ ନଅନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ
They will complete selection.
ଗଲେ କଲେ ମୁଁ କଣ କରିବି ଆପଣ instruction ନେବିନି ଆପଣ ଫାଇଲ କଲେ ଏବେ instruction ସେ ନେବେ ମୁଁ କେମିତି
5th December is the last date
what
for
to do I
submission
can't
of.
help sir ସେ instruction ନେବା ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ ୱେଟ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ 5th December ତ 4 ତାରିଖ ଆଣ 4 ତାରିଖ ଆଣ
Chair ଅଛି read ତା ବି ଅଛି.
ଆଇ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ସାର୍ ନା
ହେଲେ read has been adjourned to 4.
କୋଉଟା
ଏଇ
ତ ହେଲା ତ 4th ରେ ଆଣନ୍ତୁ
yesterday.
4th ରେ ଆଣନ୍ତୁ next
Item 10,
Item, I pray for an adjournment on behalf of Tapas Acharya.
କଣ matter ଟା
So I have no brief, lordship.
okay list the matter on 20th December
item 11,
11
Living in lordship, your lordship.
land council the state to file the counter affidavit list the matter on 21st next
item 12,
12 ସାଇ ସବୁରି ଆସିଲେନି ଏରେ କେତେ ଦୁଇଟା ବେଳେ ଖାଇଛି ଦୁଇଟା ବେଳେ 2 p.m. 2 p.m. okay 13
13,
ହିନ୍ଦୁଜା ଲିଲେନ୍ ଫାଇନାନ୍ସ କଣ ହେଲା
Kindly pass over the matter.
କଣ ମ୍ୟାଟରଟା what is the matter sir
In this case,
the petitioner
Permanent
challenged
Lok
the
Adalat, Puri. Pass the interim order directing release of the vehicle and feeding order dated so rejected the petition filed by the petitioner. Release by begging. Take the order of this.
sir, we will file some judgment regarding
Judgment
this.
कौन करियो आगे facts clear करो तो तब judgment judgment
Sir, kindly pass on.
हाँ pass कर दो data पर 230 रेस 230 हला 230 230 then
Item 40,
Item 14, my lord.
14
Petitioner is in judicial custody since 2011, 2020, my lord.
कितने किलो
24 kg, 400 gram. Your lordship granted bail to co-accused under Annex
जी
again.
नहीं दे दिया या
Annex 3
दे दिया है ना
order है
order कर दिया
Annex my lord, under Annex 3 page 18.
Annex 3 order हला okay grant next
item 15,
15
item 15, pay for 2 weeks time for filing rejoinder matter.
कौन इशूटा कौन
Open school.
आ कितने रिजेंडर फाइल करेंगे आप लोग कहाँ पे हैं
I am for the
आ रिजेंडर कौन करियो आगे एटा ये
इक्विवेलेंस अछि नै
ओपन स्कूलटा कहारो अछंती देखो मिस्टर राव अछंती सुना ही जो नले
let them pass over, my lord. On behalf of Mr. Rautrai, pass over.
को आ कोर्ट थी
Hi.
पास और कौन आपण करबी नी
On behalf of, I am,
केवल से कहले हे गला फाइनल तांकर खाली आई वांट हिज असिस्टेंट नॉट योर इशू आई हैव अंडरस्टूड से अच्छा एटा ओपन स्कूल एटा बीएससी अंडर आसुनी
ना इट्स नॉट इक्वल
ओडिसा रे नु खाली ओपन ओडिसा ओपन स्कूल खाली नाडा दे
ओडिसा ओपन स्कूल
नाडा देसी खाली
ना दैछन्ती से ट्रस्ट
इट चोर संस्था
सोर तो मु कहबी नी
चोर तो आगो एंड चोर सब लोक बेकू बनउछन्ती आ एंदी जाग पर ताको पास कर देबे सर्टिफिकेट मैट्रिक सर्टिफिकेट एंदी हो
Scenario sufferer matter.
अरे सफर तमे तो सफर आउरी करिवो तमर किछि हेनी आउरी सफर करिवो सब कैंसिल कर देबे यार मु तो ऑर्डर
in my
कैंसिल
counter I have given annexer A by 7 which will show the number of institutions they are degrees equivalent
इक्विवेलेंट
otherwise
ए कोडे कोडे कहले काउंटर रे केते A5
A7
A7 सर A7
page 7
पाउनी मु A7 पाउनी A7 पाउनी अच्छा काउंटर पे 7
हां काउंटर पे page 7
एटा जो मिस प्रेमा मंजरी साहू इट तो जो एफिडेविट जो देछ हां सीडीपी जो देछ एटा तो अरे कितने नंबर एटा बोल देले बोले
नहीं
एटा कितने नंबर
15,
हां 15 तो ठीक
15 रे is it lots of are looking at WPC 1
रवीना बाग तो
Rabina Bag, Augusti Durga.
रवीना बाग
Yes.
second matter in the first matter I have
Ravina.
not been implicated
सेकंड मैटर अच्छा देखो हम बोल देखो जी ताला
Agasti Durga
अगस्ती
1328
बाग अगस्ती दुर्गा अरे हार्ड कॉपी दे पाऊंगी सेकंड अछि अगस्ती दुर्गा रे आपण रिप्लाई अछि
Agasti Durga in the first matter I have not been implicated
आ एटा जो दैछन्ती आपण ए जो पेज 36 रे जोडा अछि इक्विवेलेंस अच्छा अच्छा
equivalence
तो ए इक्विवेलेंस यांकर ना नहीं
अंकर ना नहीं
आपण एटा मोस्टली स्टेट बोर्ड सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन सब लिस्ट अछि यस
because the guidelines are given
विभिन्न स्टेट रे अछि
guidelines are given in annexer B by 7 how they will be treated as equivalent syllabus same
से जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ता की अछि से जो ओपन स्कूल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन पार्टी नहीं हां ताको पार्टी करो से जो तार कोडी एड्रेस कोन कोडी अछि ताको पार्टी कर एमडी होनी ताको के भलो के देखा पड़ो
Jagatpur
Yes,
देयर अदरवाइज स्टार्ट चीटिंग सो मेनी पीपल आओ ऐसे करबे ना जेल पठेबी जेल चीट कोन ताको एड्रेस कोडी तार
Jagatpur.
छि जानना पड़े छै मागी खाली इज कोन ओडिसा
Odisha state open schooling Katak
ओपन स्कूलिंग वीडियो चातारी ମାନେ କେତେ ଚତୁରତା ସେ ତ ସ୍କୁଲ ନହେଲେ ସ୍କୁଲିଂ ଲେଖି ଦେଲା ବାରେ
Station bazaar.
এটা ওয়েবসাইট রে আমি বাহার করছু তার অ্যাড্রেস টা আছে
লেখো let learn the concept of the petitioner implead the implead Odisha state open schooling as a party respondent in the present writ petition which is addressed at Odisha school open schooling
ওড়িশা স্টেট ওপেন
sorry state open schooling wherein the partners partner এখানে খুলছেন মানে
ট্রাস্ট
the trustees are Mr. Subhash Chandra Behera, Sukant Kumar Behera, Abid Hani. Hani bahar kari bata. Abid Hani. Next, at Station Bazaar, Jagatpur Katak. Station Bazaar, Jagatpur Katak. है ना? Address for service. ये कहाँ service for service को different लिखला नहीं ना? Chennai Street, Spoon Tank Road, Chetapet, Chennai. ये कौन पे?
the advocates for details
Anyway, address party. Hala.
through that company they have applied for the trademark registration
Oh,
that say address টা care of address
trademark. तमो तो ट्रेड कोडे जीव देखो मार्क छाड़ी दिया है हाँ से तांगर कोई बरे तो ट्रेड जो नथिबो मार्क निकरी कोन करिवो नियो पार्टी करो हला let the implement application be filed within 3 working days from today करन दो जल्दी हला कला पर कहबे जान दो next
Item 16.
Item 16 value requisite has already been filed, madam.
हाँ
The requisites for communication of
okay
National
let the
Court
petitioner
for OP number
file the
6.
requisite let the registry accept the requisite and list the matter bas next
Item 17.
70 Mr. Rao
yes this is that matter where I just wanted that my entry adverse entry in civil to be deleted
yes
your lordships have directed that I should implead the Reserve Bank of India otherwise no effect to order and pass I have filed a petition
we filed
Lord,
listed today
I
I
must
is
18841
Lord, it is,
I never
without
want
that
to-
also it can be done.
be list be the implement application is allowed and issue notice to
no my
Lord, it
friend
is not required. That is my submission. As per the statute, there is an act.
no ठीक ଅଛି
no,
So it can be done, that I'm saying.
ठीक କାସୁ କୋଉଠି
no, my friend is in support
ଆମେ ଏଜୁକେଟ ହେବା କଣ ଅଛି ଅସୁବିଧା
No, I'm saying as per the act,
Hmm.
Lordship can interpret, it can be done. We will do within 15 days each case. Still, your Lordship insists for the future references.
for my
So-
knowledge I'm
So
insisting
there is an act. my lord,
Wait,
for this.
I know that sir for my knowledge I want to get educated
Fair enough.
there is always scope for learning I want to get more information that's why I'm calling
The section 21 says, speaks about that. So
ठीक है but despite that let the Reserve Bank of India come let the regional manager Reserve Bank of India be issue notice
regional director
as a regional director Reserve Bank of India issue notice the implemented party no? The newly implemented party respondent issue notice by registered court list the matter on 12 days
I'll file requisites tomorrow
yeah requisite be filed within
along with the consolidated cost right
3 years and consulted within 3 working days from today okay next let him come we'll see
no, his purpose can be served. That is what I'm saying.
his
So-
purpose will see that a larger purpose
No,
canvas is large
my lord, if your Lordship interpret,
Hmm.
his implement not required. That will be a settled principle for everyone. Because there is a statute for that. That's what I'm saying.
I want to get some information, get some information from him. That's why.
Fair.
That's why I'm saying. हम कोर्ट के बुली बुला के जानतु कौन असुविधा ला आपण
ନା ନା ମତେ କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା
ଆମେ
ନାହିଁ
କିଛି
କାମ
ଶିଖିବୁ-
ହେଇଯିବ ମୁଁ କହୁଛି
ଆମେ ତାଙ୍କଠୁ ଶିଖିବୁ କିଛି
No, I could find out some act on this. There's a credit
I
information
know sir
Companies
I know
Regulation
that
Act. So
we have
little
such
interpretation required.
yes I know that next next
Item 8,
18.
18.
18.
Let-
18.
In a proceeding under section 144 CRPC, my lord, the executive magistrate has passed the order of status quo, my lord, in a securitization proceeding initiated by the bank, my lord. Lordship kindly see.
For the bank, yes, for the bank.
Yes, my lord.
How the executive magistrate is passed status quo?
On the one hand, he said that he lacks jurisdiction, and on the other hand, he said that. status quo.
When the securitization at where
Yes,
from the
yes.
executive magistrate will
Yes,
get
my
power
lord.
to interfere?
Yes,
That no executive magistrate should interfere.
yes, my lord.
What is this? Story behind the story.
Story, my lord, the
I am
bank.
asking story behind the story.
Yes,
Don't say story.
yes.
पीछे क्या story बताओ?
पीछे का story है, the bank took my lord, for physical possession under section 14 by obtaining the permission from the district magistrate. And when, my lord, the physical person, police and police personnel, everybody were there, he, my lord, showed the order of this, my lord, executive magistrate, the status quo order has been granted. And without notice to the bank, and lordship can say annexure 1, page 14. And relevant portion at page 15, my lord.
Is the problem बिना experience रे पढ़े ले सुधा कुछ सीधा LLB पास करी सीधा एग्जाम देले पढ़े ले सीधा वो एमदी उल्टा सीधा ऑर्डर पास करी एकदम 3 वर्ष आगे ठीक चला एक्सपीरियंस वैसे कई जाओ
नहीं ये
क्या कथा
this is the police personnel, this is the executive magistrate.
Oh sorry
Additional discipline, yes. Additional
ये court तो doesn't have power at all.
Yes.
These people can't do.
Yes.
Okay, issue notice. Issue
And
notice.
delay is there. Delay condonation petition, my lord, IN
What's the delay?
Delay, my lord, there is 100.
ଆପଣ କୋଉଠି ଶୋଇ ପଡିଥିଲେ ଏତେ ଦିନ?
No, it came to the knowledge when the bank took went for physical possession.
Okay, land council the petitioner submit that the opposite party being the complainant filed a complaint case bearing criminal miscase number 317 up to 023 of under section 144(1) of CRPC in the court of Sri Saroj Kumar Mahathir, additional DCP cum executive magistrate Bhubaneswar against the petitioner's bank as second party members alleging that the bank is trying to vacate the suit land, violating the orders of status quo passed against the bank by the presiding officer Debt Recovery Tribunal Cuttack in I number 637 of 2021 and 638 of 2021 arising out of SA number 75 of 2021. It is also alleged that the complaint by the complainant that the bank along with their staff came to the suit land and threatened to the complainant to vacate the scheduled premises illegally. It is further alleged that the apprehending breach of peace over the suit land, the opposite party filed a criminal miscase for appropriate relief. Oh, breach of peace.
In presence of the police personnel under section 14.
But they are not supposed to. Because the bank wants to. Based on the opposite allegation, the additional DCP cum executive magistrate Bhubaneswar passed the impugn order dated 24/2/2023 in criminal miscase number 317 of 2023 under section 144(1) of CRPC. Accordingly, the IAC Dholi communicated the status quo over the suit land as per the order passed by the presiding officer of that. So issue notice in view of the above, issue notice to the opposite party. There shall be stay of the order. I thought I really clear. The order passed by the delay भी अच्छी और ये delay condone कर दे delay condone out stay नहीं बनी
Stay since delay condonation was not considered. The IA is there, my lord. Lordship can see.
कहीं stay कहीं
Next IA is there, my
sir
lord.
कहीं गोटे तो IA है गोटे 797
Yes.
oh okay in the meantime the impugn order dated 24/2/2023 passed in criminal miscase number 317 of 2023 by the additional DCP cum executive magistrate Bhubaneswar is stayed till the next date. Okay. This is the matter. Seventh.
Yes.
19.
But Mr. If there is a problem apprehending law and order, he might have done it.
Your lordship knows that under section 14,
That is fine,
yes.
sir.
So there is
Because the police.
there is
can
no
run-
chance of a law and order because my lord, the police personnel will be there
Yeah.
and the executive magistrate will be there.
ठीक है.
Yes.
Straight. Okay. Next.
19.
May I please, your lordship?
19.
May I please, your lordship? One of the petitioner challenges order under annexure 1 at page 11.
What are the defects?
Defect is good ground certificate has not been submitted.
सब सारे defect clear करके आए.
I am submitting. it.
First clear the ये थी अपनी सब register. Nine.
ଦେଇଛି ପରା original ଟା ଦେଇଛି ପା ଅଛି
ହୁଁ?
original ଟା ଅଛି
Not remote ଦେଖିଲେ. अब ଦେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି କିଛି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ.
original ଟା
କଣ defect ଅଛି?
912 ହେଲା good ground
ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି.
I have filed
କୋଉଠି?
ଏଇଟା trial court judgment କହିଛନ୍ତି ଏଟା order ଟା ମୁଁ challenge କରୁଛି there is no such judgment
ସାର୍ SR ଆପଣ remove କରିକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏଇଟା ଆଉ ନାହିଁ କିଛି ମାନେ remove କରି ମାନେ annexure 1 ଗୋଟିଏ ମୁଁ rely କରୁଛି ଆଉ ଏଇଟାକୁ challenge କରୁଛି there is no such annexure at all.
What are you challenging?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେ annexure 1
What
order
are you
ଟାକୁ
challenging,
challenge
sir?
the order of 111 of CRPC order, my lord. The
ଆପଣ APR କରିବେ APR court ରେ କରିବେ. So
again that is the violative. Your lordship may peruse
why-
111.
Why violative?
Your lordship may
ଆପଣ
peruse.
କଣ issue ଟା ମତେ ଟିକେ କହିଲେ?
Again,
Violative ମୁଁ କହିବି.
issue is that
Ah.
some being a politician, I am a politician. I am a son of a sarpanch. Some false cases has been instituted against me.
Correct.
Now the police being gained over by the ruling party give a report to the executive magistrate to book me under section 110 of CRPC, my lord. And section 111 of
What is 110 of CRPC ପଢନ୍ତୁ.
again security for good behavior from habitual offender. Habitual offender is that. my lord. When an executive magistrate receive information that there is within a local jurisdiction a person is by habit a robber, housebreaker, theft or forger. No such cases pending against me like this. B is by habit a receiver of stolen property knowing the same to have been stolen. No such cases against me. C habitually protect or harbors thefts or aid the concealment or disposal of stolen property. No such allegation against me. D habitually commits or attempts to commit or abets the commission of the offense of kidnapping, abduction, extortion, cheating or mischief or any offense punishable under chapter 12 of the Indian Penal Code or under section 489A, section 489B, section 489C or 489D of that code. No
I
such.
don't do one thing. Show cause तो मांगा है.
Yes,
Show
Lord.
cause reply दे दो. खत्म काम खत्म.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଇଟା ଅସୁବିଧା ହେଇଛି ପରା।
First file it.
Your lordship-
Show cause को challenge କରି ପଳେଇ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି
ଟିକେ
ଆପଣ.
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ section
ନାଇଁ,
11
କିଛି ଦେଖିବିନି. So ଆପଣ show cause reply
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଦେବେ.
କେମିତି show କରିଦେବି? No substance is there.
No substance reply ଦେଲେ ହବନି.
କେମିତି ଦେବି? କଣ ରିପ୍ଲାଏ
କଥା?
ଦେବେ? କାହା ଉପରେ ଦେବି?
ଯଦି substance ନାହିଁ ଆପଣ କହିବେ ନାହିଁ ଏ ଜିନିଷ କିଛି ନାହିଁ.
The mandate of law is that he has to give substance and your lordship may permit me 1 minute.
Just a minute. What is the its offense? Where this 111?
କିଛି ନାହିଁ ପରା।
ठीक है.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା
What is the 11?
The main thing is that what will be informed by the IIC, it has to be seen. This has come for the first.
Take instruction, what is the against? Land Council of the state to find out as to what prompted the IIC code
ବଡମ୍ବା
Badamba to invoke section 1110, sorry, 110 of CRPC against the present petition. ଆପଣ ନେଇ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଆଗ ନେଇକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ You should write something, sir. No, just like in the
section 111 କହୁଛି
the notice ଯେ କ'ଣ କଲେ ଲେଖିବେ ତାପରେ notice ଦେବେ ଆପଣ ଏମିତି you are just 110 ଆପଣଙ୍କ against କରାଗଲା କ'ଣ କଲା ତ ଲେଖିବେ ତାର କ୍ରାଇମ ତ କ'ଣ କରିଛି କହିବେ ଏମିତି ସିଧା ଲେଖିଦେବେ
and one is mandates that he shall make in order in writing set for the substance of information
that's
received
what I'm saying, sir.
an amount of bond କ'ଣ ଦବ ସେଗୁଡା ବି ଲେଖିବା କଥା
ଆପଣ ନେଇକି ଆସିବେ ନହେଲେ ସେ ଆଇସି କୁ ଡାକିବା ଏଠି ଦେଇଥିବେ କୋଉଠି କ'ଣ କିଛି ତ on that basis we'll see that okay and pass for the state total instruction regarding the reasons for invoking 110 of CRPC against the present petitioner and they said reason be proceeding our instruction listen matter fourth ଏଇରେ ବଡ ମାର୍ଗ ପାଖଟା କେତେ ଦୂର କଟକ ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ କଟକ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ମେଲ କରିଦେବେ ପଳେଇ ଆସିବ ଓକେ 6 ବହୁତ ମ୍ୟାଟର ହେଲାଣି 6 7 5th କରିଦଉଛି 5th
but I have filed a interim application also.
What is the interim?
No coercive action till then, my lord.
Okay, no coercive action till the next date. No. There shall be no coercive action against the presentation till the next date. Okay, next.
Item 20.
May prejudice.
5th. Okay, next.
May prejudice.
Next.
Item 20.
20.
My lord, the interim order, imprimmed order is under annexure 2 at page 25, your lordship. The learned trial court rejecting my time petition for adducing defense evidence, closed the defense evidence, rejecting my time petition, my lord. What happened, my lord? On 6/10/2023, one of the witnesses examined from my side. Thereafter, case posted to 18/10. I took time on that day because the opposite party, the present petitioner, opposite party before the court below, has transferred from Talcher to Sonpur. He go to join there. For that reason, he could not arrange his witness. Then the case is posted to 31st/10, on which day he also could not came with his evidence. For that time, petition has been filed. On that day, only one chance was given, and the time petition was rejected on 31st.
chance ଦୁଇଟା ଚାନ୍ସ ହେଲା ଗୋଟେ ଚାନ୍ସ ହେଲା
6 ତାରିଖରେ 18 ତାରିଖ ରହିଲା ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ ଆଜ୍ଞା ରାଇଟ ଇନଫ୍ରିଙ୍ଗ ହେଇଯିବ ଆଜ୍ଞା ରାଇଟ ଇନଫ୍ରିଙ୍ଗ ହେଇଯିବ
କେତେ ଥର ଆପଣ
ଗୋଟେ ସାକ୍ଷୀ ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ
ଇନଫ୍ରିଞ୍ଜ କରିବା ଚକ୍କରରେ ଆପଣ ଟାଇମ୍
ଗୋଟିଏ ଦିନ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଟାର୍ଗେଟ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସେଇ ଦିନ ମୁଁ ସାକ୍ଷୀ ଦେଇଦେବି ମୋ ସାଇଡରୁ କ୍ଲୋଜ
ମୋ ଟାର୍ଗେଟ କାଇଁ କରିବି ମୋର କଣ
ନା ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ ମତେ ଏଇ ଅର୍ଡର ଟାକୁ ଇଏ କରିକି ମତେ ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ ଚାନ୍ସ ଦିଆଯାଉ ମୁଁ ସେଇ ଦିନ ସାକ୍ଷୀ ଛାଡ଼ିଦେବି
upon on that day you have not produced any medical certificate
ସେ
any document you have not
ଲେଖି ଦେଇଥିଲି ମେଡିକାଲ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ପ୍ରଡ୍ୟୁସ କରିନି ବୋଲି ସେଇ ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡରେ ଡିସମିସ୍ କରିଥିଲି
sufficient or opportunity was also given to you
ସଫିସିଏଣ୍ଟ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ସେ ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି
so the petitioner states that the petitioner has filed a DB miss case number 73 of 2022
20 my lord.
Sorry, I'm so sorry, 20, wherein the petitioners sought for time to appear in the court. However, due to some emergent situation, he could not appear in the court. Hence, the time petition given on which date?
31st/10 my lord.
31st
2023
has been dismissed. Considering the difficulties faced by the petitioner on the designated date fixed by the University fixed by the trial court. If you get the covenant is taken court. The petitioner may be allowed to give it last chance to appear before the court
adduce her evidence, his evidence.
Accordingly, the learned GMFC coordinates taking court category related to afford an opportunity to the present petitioner to appear with the court and reduce the evidence. It is made clear that no further time shall be granted to the present petition.
Obliged to us. My lord,
Dispose of.
urgent copy, your lordship.
Next.
21.
21.
I am for the petitioner.
File. File. No, thore ready karibe, thore file karibe. Kaun eta?
They have already taken 5 times.
Just because you are central government, आपको जितने वाले जितने time दो ना कौन? इच्छे state government को जनते central में same rule लगे वो. बिल्कुल नहीं, अपन central government दिल अपन आगुर करिए, advance करिए, तो समझ दिया उसी कम भाई. Grant council में
Last chance.
Central government is directed to file the affidavit within 1 week. Following is the right of filing affidavit will be forfeited.
Other similar matters. my
List
lord.
the matter on 20 others.
All are connected matters.
All
my lord.
same order.
Yeah.
Item
Next.
22.
22. 22. You have taken instruction?
On the last time, your lordship has directed my lord senior to produce that
Mark sheet.
mark sheet.
Yes, sir, I have got it.
It
Same,
is with
same.
regard to extra optional adding of extra.
Oh,
optional.
yes.
Right. If you also kind of see this chart. Copy. Copy nahi?
Mark sheet. Mark sheet है
Eh? So this is the procedure they adopt actually while assessing the.
Just to submit
So
the original
that
mark sheet to
declaration
ascertain the marks
certificate-
she has secured.
What is the original mark sheet?
That is the order.
So this is.
I want,
this
this is the calculation. I wanted the mark sheet.
Mark sheet କହିଥିଲେ ତ ଆପଣ court.
So mark sheet is there.
Then-
So, original ଟା କାଢିଲେ, but original is-
But এটা আমরা হাতটা লেখা লাগবে just
Oh,
what-
that.
our
That I
original
have-
টা নাই
এইটা
এটা এটা তো
স্যার এইটা মার্কশিট নয় এটা
এটা তো only calculation sheet
তো মার্কশিট আছে না অরিজিনালটা হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ জেরক্স দিও বাট তাকে
This is photocopy.
সেম
I have obtained her mark sheet under RTA on a separate
so
application.
that markshit
That I
is
have
correct. That markshit that was given by my friend.
That is correct. Then,
That's correct.
then says no case.
Page 80 marksheet is the same marksheet. B by 5. Page
We have
80.
secured 281 marks.
So 281.
281
So
out
out
of
of 46.
no total
So deduct
total
30.
mark 100 200 300 400 500 600 800 mark बाहर ना
Sir, extra
800
optional is
700
46.
calculation भूल
Sir, extra optional is 46.
नहीं that is fine but ଯେତେବେଳେ marksheet କଣା ହେବ extra optional ଯଦି ମିଶେଇବେ ଆପଣ
Sir, set of
ସେଇଟା ବି ଭୁଲ
minus 30.
କରିଛନ୍ତି ସେଇଟା
minus
ଭୁଲ କରି
30.
ତାଙ୍କୁ appointment ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି. It is
extra
a-
optional
that is a vigilance.
7 ରୁ ହବନି 8 ରୁ ହବ ନା
Yes. That is
800 ରୁ ହବ ଆପଣଙ୍କର
Sir,
but ଯୋଉ ପଟେ କଲେ ବି ତାଙ୍କର ହଉନି ସେଠି 40%.
extra optional ଯଦି mark ଆପଣ ମିଶେଇକି calculate କଲେ total marks ହଉଛି 800 पर
Yes.
क्या नहीं
Yes. Yes.
अरे मत
Eight-
हिलो यार
Two
मुझे
eight
पता है
800 she has secured 281.
total marks होची 800
Yes.
extra optional मिसिक रे यदि मिसा
sir, extra
281.
optional टा मिसुनी in fact with due respect.
अच्छा
Malad.
extra optional छाड़ी देले
Yes. 700.
ताले extra optional छाड़ी के आपण मार्क
700.
Sir, extra sir, let me clarify. Sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
पहले वाला अपन कोई sir.
रुहन तो ठीक बस आपण बस
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Sir, actually.
extra optional काटी देले केते मागु छी आपण करो
Sir, 16. Extra optional to 46.
46 मार्क हला
So what they
only
do?
16 mark मिसिबो
Sir, they don't consider the entire mark of extra optional. If the entire mark would have been considered, it should have been
extra
out of.
optional enter मार्क मिसे नहीं सर always extra optional 30 कैटेगरी 30 ऊपर जो मार्क है सेति खाली
Exactly. So
हाँ.
it is not out of
60 only
800.
your mark is only 60
So the calculation is 700. So,
700
yes.
into extra optional যেটা calculation 800
Sir, hapani sir.
না
Sir,
না না না
Sir, it is the
ask any
government has
expert, ask any
calculated, sir.
expert, sir.
Sir, it is the
BSc council को पचारंतु
No, sir, let them.
extra
let them-
optional যদি ଆପଣ ନେଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯେହେତୁ extra
Sir.
100 mark extra ହଉଛି
Okay.
700 suppose ଧରନ୍ତୁ 700 ଅଛି କିନ୍ତୁ extra optional ରେ 100 mark extra ମାନେ 800 ହେଲା extra optional ଯଦି ମିଶେଇ ଦେଲେ ମାନେ 800 ରୁ calculate ହବ
Sir, ଯଦି
ଆଉ
ପୁରାଟା
700
ମିଶେଇବେ 800 ହବ. So let the government give the answer
no no
to that.
that is not the right calculation
So that is the procedure they adopt.
no sir extra optional ମିଶିଲା ମାନେ 800 ରୁ calculate ହବ extra optional ନ ମିଶିଲା ମାନେ 700 ରୁ
So we
calculate.
due respect, let the procedure be placed before Lord.
Yes, you, what you say?
My lord. The
So they
extra-
have, in the counter, they have mentioned that.
What I understood from.
Sir,
from my-
ମୁଁ ସିଧା କହ ମୁଁ ଯେତେ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି
My lord.
281 ମାର୍କ ଯଦି ରହିଲା
Okay.
ତାର ମାର୍କ ଟୋଟାଲ ମାର୍କ
Okay.
it can't be divided by 700 it should be divided by 800 that is the
No,
rule.
the 281 is from 700.
No,
No, no, no, you
no
are,
sir
I am
galat
just clarifying, my lord.
galat
I may permit it. I have stated in on record. Says secured 281 out of 800.
yeah that's what I'm
If you
saying
will
is right.
exclude, it will come down to
It is
265. ଟିକେ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା.
265 ଯଦି
265 of
ହବ,
700.
700 ହବ
700,
You're
that
right.
the calculation will be, my lord, that I have given it as, it will be 37.85. But wrongly they have calculated it to 40.26, that we have given the amount.
Government cross checking time perfectly calculate करछि
My lord.
এটা 37.85% হবো यार
Yes. But because the wrong is committed at the initial stage, that is why the matter has been referred to vigilance, not in one case. A vigilance case is pending against her.
କେମିତି ଏମିତି calculation ଆପଣ କରିଦେବେ
Sir, with
Because
due
the-
respect,
these
let
are
him
officer
produce the
people.
guideline for calculation. It is out of
Sir,
700.
guideline is common sense, sir. Guideline is not required at all. When I am calculating the marks,
Sir,
suppose extra optional 100 mark is extra is there. I am calculating the mark and not adding the aggregate. That is wrong.
so with due respect. sir,
800, sir. Total mark is 800.
So with due respect,
With extra
let me
optional.
tell Lord Similar. If it is from 800, then it has to be the total mark of extra optional.
No, I'm saying
It is not total mark of extra optional.
281 is the total mark, right? 281 is the total mark. I'm
Yes.
just explaining. If 280 mark is from which mark? From total mark,
800.
aggregate mark is 800. If aggregate mark is 800 and he has secured, including extra optional, I'm saying, including extra optional, aggregate is 800. If he has secured with extra optional, that is 281. So it has to be calculated from 800. How can
Sir,
it be calculated from 700?
Sir, with
It's
due
wrong
respect,
calculation. No,
with
no.
due respect,
Can't
sir,
be.
it is not there in the university statute also.
Sir, always it is.
Sir,
It is
So
this.
matriculation, university, everywhere. If you not kindly see, a science graduate can admit in the medical college. They are also in the first year, in our days, Ballot. First year, if you have an extra optional.
The same thing even today
course,
also.
of course.
There is no change in that form.
Exactly. So it is not out of 800, it is out of 700.
No, not at all.
The extra optional.
Okay, you do one thing, get your expert from
Yes.
State Board of Secondary Education and he will explain.
They
Who
have
is the
given it.
calculator?
Board
Or
has given the
university, that
certificate.
they-
He is not
they-
into
they-
what else, unless a lingering.
They have rightly calculated, sir. There
And
is
my
no
lord,
wrong.
and my lord, they have issued a guideline. The appointing authority issued a guideline will not act upon the extra optional mark minus the extra optional mark, that will be calculated.
Forget the
And end of the matter, that was
it
why the
always is
selection.
700 from 265.
65, that is come to 37.
37.85% correct.
That
It
will
is
not
not
be
coming with
800,
the
let
reasonable
them
consideration.
produce the procedure. ma'am.
Okay.
Let them proceed.
Unless
This
the
is
lingering
wrong.
process.
Actually, this is wrong. Correctly, they have calculated. They have calculated correctly.
Yes.
My lord, that where stand is also the same.
Do one thing.
Therefore the petition has been disengaged below.
No,
Yes.
not that's the reason.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Sir,
Due to wrong
anyway,
calculation
this
initially.
is this is the common sense. You
My
don't
lord.
need to,
No, that's
apply
the
any-
procedure also.
Yeah.
That is the regulation they have framed. The
Sir,
government, that is why they
Anyway, do one thing. On Monday, you just
The
call your
regulation is already.
sir.
already on record.
Yeah.
Hatha.
Regulation is there.
Yes, yes.
Show me that.
So the-
Kindly see, I have filed it.
So the-
Where is that?
I'm just. My lord will find it at page, that mark sheet before that is 79 of the brief.
79.
Yes, the regulation, para 3. The government has issued this.
Just.
Clause 3.
Just.
before the page of that mark.
It is saying 16354.
Again, see, वो counter है, that is there.
General counter.
Copy 5 counter is there.
Get the page?
Page 89, then 79. Running page. Internal page 8. Oh, counter of OP 5.
79.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir,
Clause 3 minor.
Sir, khali good point, sir, can I say?
Computation of
Sir, good,
percentage of
just a
mark.
minute, just a
Sorry,
minute.
sorry.
Yes.
Sir, kindly see the notification dated.
Just.
Sir, this is 2011.
Just a minute, sir.
That was there already.
No,
Regarding
it was not there.
computation of percentage of mark of B.Ed candidates, the aggregate mark secured by the candidates in past subject for the past candidates, pass and honors mark in the case of honors candidates, and B.Ed marks may be taken into account.
It is
Similarly-
79.
Yes, sir. Clause 3. This is the procedure.
Yes.
Similarly, aggregate mark in plus 2 and city level may be taken into account on computation of percentage mark in case of plus 2 city.
Mark secured
Mark
extra
secured
optional.
extra optional, foundation course and ancillary course
That is in the
shall
BA.
be excluded.
Sir, it is
from
excluded.
computation
Sir, that is the
Yes.
subject matter of challenge. Sir, question is,
mark. This
This
is
is
not
what-
on the challenge.
sir, just a minute, sir. Sir, kindly see the date of notification. This letter has been issued in 2011, sir. Sir, our selection is 2006-8, I think. It's 2008. This is not applicable.
What is the selection procedure?
Yes.
But the calculation is, despite all the selection procedure,
Sir,
whatever,
sir,
calculation is the
Sir,
same.
this is something different, sir. Let me clarify. Here, my submission is that
What are the the guideline available during that 2008?
14/10/2006 ରେ ଗୋଟେ circular ଥିଲା, that I will produce.
ସେଟା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
Money ଦେଇଦେବି next time.
sir, ୟାକୁ consider
Fifth.
କରିକିରି ଗୋଟେ
Fifth.
ଯୋଉ the
Fifth.
previous
But sir,
Calculation-
calculation is wrong. I'm very clear on this. Calculation is totally wrong. It can't be right.
That is
So
why
we-
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯାହାକୁ ବି ଡାକନ୍ତୁ କୌଣସି ଏକ୍ସପର୍ଟ କୁ ଡାକନ୍ତୁ ସେଇଟା ହିଁ କହିବ
sir, ଏଇଟା ସେଇଆ କହୁନି
Officer
sir, ଏଇଟା କହୁନି ଏଇଟା
ଅଫିସର has rightly calculated, no wrong.
no sir, let me clarify ଏଇ ଯୋଉ circular ଟା this number one, this is not applicable to our case.
Anyways,
I will give it.
Sir, just a minute. Number two, sir, it is supposing they have calculated wrongly, including the extra optional, with due respect, my lord. But still then, they on their own mistake, they have done it and I have been appointed.
that's a different issue.
Yes, there's
We
another
are
point, sir.
in a different point, whether it be included or excluded. That's
Yes.
that. That part is
Yes,
yeah.
this
Okay,
also
you
is
get
excluded.
just get that
I will
circular
give that.
2006 what I was saying.
14/10/2006
Let's see that.
resolution.
Let's see that circular.
I will give it. Well, I-
Fifth looks.
हाँ, Monday.
Okay, Monday.
Tuesday. Let's use
Tuesday.
that. Not sorry, again.
The High Court रे the previously ଗୋଟେ 2002 ର ନା 1998 ର ଗୋଟେ circular କୁ refer କରିଥିଲେ. Justice S.K. Mishra said, sir, even if that is excluded, sir, it should not be excluded for the petitioner because you have included and given her the
No,
appointment.
that is a different argument altogether.
Sir,
That's
one of the point I have taken
but that part
Yes.
is there. But
Yes.
my point is this calculation part. Calculation part, I don't find anything wrong in the calculation of the officer. He's 100% right. He is calculated. He is not committed
Sir,
any
say you calculation is excluding, sir.
It was a clone.
That calculation is excluding force optional.
Once you exclude, then it becomes 700, not 800. Once you exclude, once you include,
Sir,
it becomes
it-
800. That's the rule.
So they have excluded that. My response is that they have included at the initial stage.
And that is a inclusion or exclusion and giving the job by mistake or also that's a different issue. But question is, so far as the calculation part is concerned, once you are excluding the extra optional means
Right.
you are calculating from aggregate 700, not 800. That is the rule.
Yes,
Yes.
sir,
And
that-
if extra optional mark will be added, then it
Then
will become
800,
800.
then 800.
Here in this case, even if the extra optional mark is added to her credit, then also she is not coming. She is
Correct, correct.
having
I see that.
55 points.
Okay,
The mark is
we get the
I will-
notification. Okay,
that
next,
is also reduced.
next item,
Item 23,
23.
23. OP number 3 and 4 and file it counter. I will let the same is supplied to me so that OP number 3 and 4 counter affidavit.
Your
Let it-
file, your file,
No, 3 and state as file.
OP3 key.
State,
Your file,
let the copy of the same is supplied.
give a copy to me. And consider the state to serve the copy of the extra, the
Counter affidavit.
counter affidavit to the council for the copy number, to the petitioner.
Yes, madam.
Next, this is the matter on 12.
Yes, madam.
Next,
24.
In the meantime, you want to file the rejoinder, you can file. No, don't ask for further time. Okay, in the meantime, the petitioner may file the rejoinder if any. Next.
The matter that where
20?
the vehicle was sold away in contravention of the interim order.
Your
lordship has directed to obtain necessary instruction. I am filing the affidavit to that effect. And
Affidavit, we have not filed it.
no, my lord.
Okay, you file the affidavit. You file the affidavit. You file the affidavit. Here, no. You file that. It is the matter on 8 rest.
8.
Yes, next.
25.
My lord, date.
8, bruh?
8.
Next.
Interim order, my lord, there that may can continue. Interim order was there. In the
Interim order. Okay, interim order to continue. Next.
date.
25.
আপনার interim order ঝুলা interim order কিছু লাভ নেই গাড়ি নেই interim order কোনটা
না interim order ভালো জায়গায় বিকে দিলে গাড়ি
Okay, let's see that. Let's see. Next.
25.
25.
My lord, lordship on last occasion had directed the state government to take instruction.
What's the instruction? I don't remember. Can you?
My lord, it is with regard to the medical shops
drug
operating
license.
unauthorized.
Okay. You have taken instruction?
The petitioner is shops is one who was applied for a fresh license, my lord. The other two shops which are operating, they are old license holder and their license have been renewed. Prior to the notification of the state government, that no license will be renewed or approved once it has been declared that the land is disputed or it is a government land.
So prior to that, so kete barshe tangaro diya?
5 ବର୍ଷ.
5 years.
So in
So after
5 years, it will be.
Then sir, it's a genuine thing.
My lord,
Sir, if they have granted the license prior to the notification, the license will
My lord,
expire into that.
in this case, I am just want to bring your lordships that there is a dimming provision. In case of renewal, if a license, if somebody is applying and license is not granted, then it will be deemed that the license is still in existence.
Till the
license is granted.
And that is for the
So the
protection.
date of in this,
So that because you are doing a business, so that you will not be disturbed. That's all.
in those cases of those two medicine shops, they have applied prior to that notification of the state.
Prior to the notification. Why didn't you decide then? If they have applied prior to the notification, you should decide
It is
as per the old.
dimming provision will be applicable.
Yes, sir.
My lord, your lordship kindly see. That is the rule. 67E.
ପଢନ୍ତୁ ପଢନ୍ତୁ ପାଇବେନି ତ ଖୋଜିକି ପାଇବେନି ବର୍ଷ ପାଇବେନି
67 capital E.
ପଢନ୍ତୁ
Duration of licenses. An original license or a renewed license, unless it is sooner suspended or cancelled, shall be valid for a period of 5 years on and from the date on which it is granted or renewed. Proviso, my lord. Provided that if the application for renewal of a license in force is made before its expiry, or
they have applied before its expiry.
Before its expiry.
Then why didn't you consider then? As per old thing.
No, those two other two persons who are operating, my lord. He has applied for a new license after the state government notification.
He applied after the notification.
Notification.
After the notification, then you can't.
after notification, my lord,
When did you apply, sir? Tell me. When did you apply?
I had applied in the year 2022.
Date te thibo na. Una ବର୍ଷ ସାରା apply କରୁଥିଲେ ବସିକି. Answer କୋଟେ କହ ଫଟଫଟ answer ଏମିତି ଉଲ୍ଟା ସିଧା answer ଦେବ. ଫେର ଆଉଥରେ ଗୋଟେ question ପଚାରିବି ମୁଁ.
24 January 2020.
24 January
2022.
2022. When was the new this?
The notification is 19th September 2019.
Then it can't be, sir. As per the new notification, it can't be. अलगा मानक संगे compare अपन करी परिबे नहीं थिबे because they are earlier, they were grantee earlier.
They are also functioning there.
Sir, functioning is not sufficient. He's saying, didn't you understand? He said, if a person has applied earlier before this notification on 19/7/1999 and he has been granted, he will continue till the completion of the term, 5 years. After 5 years, it will not be renewed. But in your case, the difference is you have applied after coming to force of this new guideline 19/7 to 1919. You have applied in 2022. So naturally the new guideline will come. The new guideline will govern you. Once the new guideline governs you, then you can't. That is the rule. Simple. Arithmetic. It's like arithmetic.
My lord.
No
I
confusion.
concede to my lord's view, but I need
No,
some
don't
time.
concede.
No.
If you are not convinced, don't concede.
And also there is an appeal provision is there.
No,
If he wants, he can approve the
Ah.
government.
appeal with regard to the condition. If I do not satisfy the condition laid under Rule 64,
This is the
this is my lord.
this is the
my
basic.
my
This is the basic. Once you are not eligible to get that particular
But
shop.
my lord, with regard to trespass, my application has been rejected since I am a trespasser to that land.
Yeah, these can be. There are many reasons. Trespassing may be one reason. Of course, that is.
However, my lord, my possession has
Because see why they ensure that. See, if you are running a drug store, you are supposed to have free from all those kind of trespassing and all this, because your shop will be closed. People of the area will be getting affected, right? So that's why all these things are
However, lordship,
ensured.
my possession has been protected by this honorable court, so also.
Honorable court protect kala ebe chhadi deba kon achi?
ସେଇଟା ଆଜ୍ଞା injunction ଦେଇଦେଇଛି।
ଏବେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ମୁଁ ଭେକେଟ୍ କରିଦଉଛି।
ନାଇଁ
କିଏ ପ୍ରୋଟେକ୍ଟ କରିଛି? କୋଉ କୋର୍ଟ ପ୍ରୋଟେକ୍ଟ? ଆମ କୋର୍ଟ ପ୍ରୋଟେକ୍ଟ କରିଛି? ହଁ ମୁଁ ଛାଡି ଦଉଛି ଛାଡ। କୋଉଠି ଅଛି ପ୍ରୋଟେକ୍ସନ ଅର୍ଡର କହିଲ?
next week ଥାଉ
ଆରେ ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱିକ୍ ନାଇଁ ଏବେ ଛାଡିବି ନାଇଁ।
Your lordship has protected the petitioner only on the basis that there other two shops were.
ହଁ ମୁଁ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଅଦର ସବୁ ଏଇ ଜିନିଷଟା ଆସିନଥିଲା ସେତେବେଳେ। When you approach at that time, these things were not there. So he took instruction. Because of this reason, you have not been renewed. So that's why your protection. The protection can't be for all time to come. It has to end sometime, na?
It's a civil court decree, my lord.
What?
It's a civil court decree, the protection of my possession.
जो कर तो High Court बड़ा ना Civil Court बड़ा?
नहीं, sir,
High Court, I'm just simply I'm dismissing it.
Lordship may
With
take
that
up this
degree,
matter on
Lord,
next
go.
week, my lord. I will satisfy on this aspect.
You can't
Whether
satisfy
that
that.
notification.
I have a lot of sympathy for you, but law doesn't help you. That's the only problem.
But I have to
You're a
find.
nice lawyer, I know, but
I have to find certain
no,
law
no.
is.
You can't.
If certain aspect of law will benefit.
That
me.
you understood what he said.
My
He
lord.
read that over that particular.
I will go with that relevant provision and place the necessary facts, my lord.
Okay.
Lordship may next week, my lord.
Okay. Since you are a young counsel, I am allowing you just to give a chance and go through some case law if you have any. But no case law will help you. Let me tell you very frankly. Just I am giving you a chance because you are new counsel, nothing else. But one thing, the same order will be passed. When you will give me so many loads of case law, no case law is going to change the position of law. Case law fills the vacuum. When law is clear on that, no case law is going to help you. Always read the provision of law first. That is called first principle. And if there is a vacuum, there is some interpretational deficit, then Supreme Court judgment, High Court judgment, this, that, chalega. Right? So they always do that. Otherwise, say law ko na dekhale, judgment dekhale kon hobo? You must understand the law first. Even the quote the law. You have to quote while drafting, you should quote the law also. What is the provision of law? You should make the habit of doing that. That will embolden your stand. Okay? Okay. So list the matter on 5th. Next.
26.
26.
Lordship, at the last occasion, learned state council to.
Sir, ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ ଏ ଭିଡିଓ ବାଲା
No.
ସେ ଭିଡିଓରେ କିଛି ଜଣା ପଡୁନି.
Sir, a new.
I have spent so much time with boring video.
No, Lordship, at the last occasion you directed, in that matter, I'm saying you directed the
I
learned
thought
state
that
council
matter.
to produce an amended pen drive.
Amended.
Sorry.
It is sequestered.
No, different.
It is regulation of service. In this case, my lord.
What is the regulation service?
Lordship, counter hasn't been filed last
My
occasion.
lord,
we took
in
time
this
to
case,
file the counter.
Regulation service is Sikha Sai.
Indeed, Lordship.
You have worked, you have joined in which year?
I'll find
Sign
their contention is that Dhananjay case is squarely applicable, my lord. I've already talked to them. They are telling that it is not applicable. We have to file the counter.
The state to take instruction.
No, already take. We have to file the counter, my lord. Counter is needed.
The state to file counter. List the matter on 13. 13. Okay. Next.
Lordship,
27.
May I please, and the arbitrary detention.
ଏଇଟା
you direct-
କଳାହାଣ୍ଡିରୁ ଆସିବ ଟିକେ
କିଛି ନାହିଁ ସେଥିରେ ଖାଲି ତ ଡେଉଁଛ ଖାଲି ଅଧିକା
No, Lordship,
କିଛି
ଆପଣ
ନାହିଁ
କହିଥିଲେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ pen drive ଦବା ପାଇଁ।
ସିଡି ମୁଁ ଦେଖି 6 ଘଣ୍ଟା ୱେଷ୍ଟ କଲିଣି ତା ପାଇଁ ଆଉ ଆଇ କାଣ୍ଟ ୱେଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ୍ ଲାଇକ୍ ଦିସ୍
Your Lordship, item
6
number
ଘଣ୍ଟାକୁ ପର ଆୱାର 600 ଟଙ୍କା ଲେଖା ମତେ ଦବ ତମ ପାଇଁ ପଡିଛି
Lordship, ଆପଣ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ pen drive କହୁଥିଲେ ମୁଁ ଖାଲି ସେତିକି କହୁଥିଲି।
ନାଇଁ ଆଉ କିଛି ଦେବେନି ଅଲରେଡି ସବୁ ଡିଟେଲ ଦେଖି ସାରିଲିଣି ଆଉ ହବନି କିଛି ଏତେ ଟାଇମ ୱେଷ୍ଟ କରିପାରିବିନି
Lordship, ସେଇଟା ବଡଟା ଦେଇଥିଲେ ବୋଲି ଆପଣ state
ବଡ ଛୋଟ ଏତେ
council
ମୋର
କୁ direct କରିଥିଲେ।
ଆଉ ଆଇ କାଣ୍ଟ ଡୁ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ତମ ୟୁର ଏଲିଗେସନ ଇଜ ବେସଲେସ୍ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଭାଇ
Your Lordship, item number 26. I pray for some more time because it has to come from Kalahandi below.
26
26.
okay land comes with the state 6 more time since what
Your Lordship has fixed it to the 13th December.
13 December ଆସେ ତାହେଲେ
ଟିକେ ଅଧିକା ଧରେ କଳାହାଣ୍ଡିରୁ ଆସିବ ତ ଟିକେ ଟାଇମ୍
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଏଟା ଆହୁରି ଜାନୁଆରୀ କରିଦେବି
ଜାନୁଆରୀ
list the matter on 4th January
My lord.
4th January next
27.
27
My lord,
confuse करेंगे नहीं पूरा to the point
my lord, may I kindly have a glance on the last order passed. No one appeared on last occasion.
your father
Bank ki advocate didn't appear. My lord has passed an order to
name may be deleted. My lord.
you are for the petitioner
No, my lord, I'm for the bank.
for the bank
My lord.
Sugan.
Other councillor there, my name may be deleted.
okay Lord God, the petitioner is the bank so Mr. Mr.
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ petitioner bank ରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର
ମୁଁ ଅମିତାଭ ତ୍ରିପାଠୀ
ହଁ
ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ମୋର
appear କରିଥିଲେ he wants to
କେତେ
delete.
ବର୍ଷ ମ୍ୟାଟର ନେବେ ମାନେ କେତେ 2023 ରେ ମ୍ୟାଟର so you are not for the bank
no, well, I have appear, but after that they have not supplied, so I am
You want to delete it.
ମ୍ୟାଟର କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ଲାଗିଛି ମ୍ୟାଡମ ଛାଡ
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଏଇଟା 23
Lord, the name of Mr. Amitabh Tripathi will deleted and alga kiye achi se to
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ my lord, may kindly have a glance on the last order. My lord had directed if no advocate is appearing on the next date, then the bank manager will be present.
why is the bank manager
About V3 still
why is
is.
the bank manager sir
but I have no instruction, my lord.
let the bank manager
Yes.
let the bank manager the branch manager Odisha Cooperative Bank Limited Cuttack is directed to appear personally on through VC will appear through VC on 11th December no. Notice be issued to the branch manager for personal appearance through the registry
My name may be kindly.
name is not it's next
And next date, man.
next date 11th
Short.
11th
28.
Item 28, I'm appearing for OP number 2, my lord. I'm filing during
who is
course
for
of
the petitioner you are for the petitioner
during course of the day, I'll file the waklatama. I already have the waklatama. Lordship, I grant me.
Last occasion, they have undertaken to file counter.
No, we didn't have the waklatama, my lord. I had to obtain the waklatama. and
okay
the-
let him file the counter we'll learn counter
2 weeks time.
Bank 2 weeks time to file the counter list the matter on 15th
Grapefruit.
next
29.
29
No, please, Lordship.
29 election to OP number 1.
you are for opinion number 1 you are for
They served a rejoinder today on me.
he rejoinder counter କେତେ time ନେବେ କଣ ଏଥିରେ ଅଛି ଯେ ଏତେ counter rejoinder କରୁଛନ୍ତି
ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ତ sir ଟିକେ I have need to take an instruction on this also.
Monday कर 4th कर 4th that come 4th
Okay, sir.
next
30.
30 Tech Mahindra ए कौन सा last time और माना पड़ूंगी
That the Lordship asked the Honorable Justice Padiwala's judgment on.
yes yes
I had given next day to the
You-
court
you got
master.
it?
I had already given, I am giving another copy.
अरे इधर इधर रखे थे इधर रहिला
That is universal sampo. Universal sampo judgment.
ये जजमेंट कॉपी कर दी रेफरेंस ये जजमेंट रखा इट रखा पड़ेगा इसको नहीं पड़ता नहीं कोई पढ़ने नहीं कोड गैप कर देंगे
And I have one more copy.
देव एक्स्ट्रा कॉपी कैन यू प्लीज एटी का जजमेंट के नेवर नहीं है ना ये पढ़ कर करेंगे Yes, please.
But,
2023.
the facts are like, I'm the software developer company.
Now this judgment.
This judgment. Let here, the Honorable Apex Court has held that when the order is passed by the consumer commissions on the provisions where the originally gone to the appeal, only that is maintainable. If the revisional order that is not maintainable, they can approach to the
National
respective high courts.
High Court.
They've said on 227.
Why is that? Why is that?
So that is there.
Which paragraph? Which paragraph?
37.
Not paragraph 37 starts.
37.
This court in Ibrat Faizan Miller, that earlier judgment.
37.
Yes, madam.
Oh, this court in Ibrahim Faizan, yes.
Ibrat Faizan Sobra, while explaining the importance of approaching High Court, more particularly when a remedy is available by way of a writ under Article 226 of the Constitution or by way of petition under 227 of the Constitution, supervised jurisdiction, observed. Also, in a given case, this court may not exercise its powers under Article 136 of Constitution in view of the remedy which may be available to the agreed party before the concerned High Court under Article 227 of the Constitution of India, as it is appropriate that agreed party approaches the concerned High Court by way of a writ petition under 227 of the Constitution of India. Now, so far as the remedy which may be available under Article 136 of the Constitution is concerned, it can be disputed that the remedy by way of an appeal by special leave under Article 136 of the Constitution of India may be too expensive and as observed and held by this court in the case of L. Chandra Kumar, the said remedy can be said to be inaccessible for it to be real and effective. Therefore, when the remedy under Article 227 of the Constitution of India before the concerned High Court is provided, in that case, it would be in furtherance of the right of access to justice of the agreed party, maybe a complainant to approach the concerned High Court at a lower cost rather than a special leave to appeal under Article 136 of the Constitution.
Okay.
But the parallels is drawn to for the section 58, which is from National Commission to appeal Supreme Court, then to 47 from State Commission to National Commission. Same parallels is drawn.
From State Commission to
High
National
Court.
Commission.
National Commission appeal, where the complaint is filed and the original order, the final order is passed, then the appellate provision is to National Commission. If that is not passed, then the revision power they're distinguished. You know, the difference between the Evrat Faizan and the universal sampo, as you Lordship rightly pointed out last time, the revisional power, they have extended the scope. That will come to the High Court under Article 227. That is, they have explained here.
Okay.
So in this case,
so High Court can exercise the revisional power according to you.
Yes, yes. That is what
as per this judgment.
Both the judgments, the scope is expanded.
Give me a note on this. Prepare a note.
Note filed already. I'll file on this basis.
On
basis.
this issue only.
Yes, yes, yes.
Specific to this issue.
Yes.
And now come to your case.
My
now
case
jurisdiction is over.
My
now
case,
the merit of the matter.
Merit of the case. Yeah. My case is, I'm the software developer company.
I understand that. So they are basically because of the problem in your software. They allege that because of your software,
my software which I developed,
they suffer.
The bank could identify a mistake in calculating the interest.
Your basic
vis-a-vis to the borrower.
Privity of the contract between the two parties.
No. There is no privity of contract between me and the borrower.
That's what I'm saying.
Yes,
yes. You and bank.
Yes.
You and bank.
Am I in bank?
Borrower cannot just claim something which is not there in the contract.
And especially in the Consumer Protection Act.
Correct.
Where the service is not availed, goods is not purchased, so, no defect or no deficiency. No, one more.
Give a beautiful note on this. Okay.
I'll provide it.
On the
jurisdiction.
With all case law analysis.
One peculiarity in this case is this consumer complaint has never been admitted till date.
Okay.
Never admitted. My learned friend has in the counter affidavit said on 4th of September 2020.
Still pending.
Still pending without admitting all such orders have been passed. Let's make kindly. I have given the certificate.
Which district?
No, but the State Commission.
State Commission.
Yes.
So many orders are passed like this. So every day I am receiving. that.
Yes.
Very
So
unfortunate.
many orders passed without even admitting the complaint. Person may kindly see it, 4th September 2020
I
order.
think the headless now.
Yes, yes. Now that
Let the head come and see. Maybe some better head comes.
some stopgap arrangement is done now. The certified copy I have already given along with my first written notes of submission. There, my lord, on 4 September 20 order, the Lender State Commission says that it is true that till the case is admitted, the matter is between the commission and the complainant. But since it is a question of pecuniary jurisdiction raised by the office, it would be profitable to issue notice to OPs to hear on the question of admission of the complaint with regard to the pecuniary jurisdiction of this commission. Hence, issue notice to OPs by registered port ID fixing so and so date for hearing and admission. So thereafter, no order, because I have the certified copy, I filed the original certified copy with your lordship. No order admitting the complaint and issue notice. Where the complaint is not admitted, where is the question of my limitation to file written statement? It has never been admitted. Let my senior friend file some copy of the order showing that it has been admitted.
Has it been admitted? Anyway, then.
Till date, it has not been admitted.
Okay, order part, reject.
Well, I'll give this some written notes on this.
You want to say something, sir? This matter is crystal clear, sir. The privity of contract between the Tech
Bank
Mahindra and the bank.
Is there?
The customer has nothing to do with the Tech Mahindra. If anything to be done by the bank, not the. So you can have anything, any allegation against the bank, it's fine. But against the Tech Mahindra, who has provided the software, why the software company will unnecessarily dragged into controversy, sir?
The question is not that.
Yes, that is the question.
No.
Yeah.
My humble submission will be like this. He has filed the present writ petition challenging the order, not allowing him to file the written statement.
Yes.
He has not challenged the order which was passed pursuant to his application under Order 1 Rule 10(2) to delete him as a party.
Another thing.
It is there.
Very important thing. For the consumer forum is Order 1, all these things are not very important. This is a summary things. Consumer Protection Act is civil CPC so follow kala seta bi se varsa lagi thiyo. Once only thing is you should have, if you are admitting, you should allow. You are not admitted, and how can you and pass something order and he can't file written submission? That's wrong.
This was not the ground. First time they are taking this ground here.
Don't get so much technicality. I'm allowing.
No, not on technicalities. Your lordship, sir. I should assist your lordship.
No, welcome. You are always welcome, sir.
My first submission is when his application under Order 1 Rule 10(2) was not accepted, he was called upon if he is willing to file any written statement. He said no. Thereafter, he came up with a written statement along with a petition to accept it. The plea that I am entitled to file the written version after the case is admitted, not before that, would not arise for consideration now because he has never did that in the past.
Okay.
Otherwise also, if the case is not admitted, why should he file a petition to delete me?
Okay.
So therefore, for the purpose of adjudication of the matter, although notice on admission is given, that should in all probabilities and should be accepted to be that the matter has been taken on record. This is one. Second thing is, there is a Supreme Court judgment which says that after 45 days of the time granted, if the party doesn't file any written statement, consumer court has got no jurisdiction to condone the delay.
You have that judgment?
Yes, I have.
Please give that judgment and whatever written submission you have. I'm closing it.
Yes.
By tomorrow?
The first question I raised is relating to the maintenance. Therefore, on maintainability, my learned friend has tried to stretch the issue by saying that in case of revision.
Thinking of now, even I was earlier slightly strict on the jurisdictional issue because I was not going to this, what you call, just deviate from what is there mandated in the statute. But now I think several Supreme Court judgment has already emboldened the stand of this court. So I can take the help and we can always allow it.
Right.
Okay, everybody can't go to Supreme, the NCDRC Delhi and spend money. Let them come here.
Both are at the same place. No?
Yeah, not same place, sir. That's happening.
Delhi.
Delhi, NCDRC also have to go to Delhi and Supreme Court also go to Delhi. Why should somebody go to Delhi?
3 days journey,
So
now 3 hours.
High Court is our Supreme Court.
Lord, one
In the
factual
past, Delhi
correction.
was 3 hours.
Lord, one factual correction, what my.
Only 3 hours
different-
and baki.
बाकी खर्चा
Highway, highway.
बाकी तो इसमें से Delhi was.
Only lawyer fee.
council fee 5 lakh city.
But what I am submitting is, there is a judgment of this honorable court which says that against the orders of the state commission, writ application is not the remedy, it's not maintainable.
There are so many.
Correct.
କିଛି judgment ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ ତା ପାଇଁ. ଆପଣଙ୍କର already statute ରେ ଅଛି. କିନ୍ତୁ when Supreme Court is interpreting some provision, Supreme Court is saying something, not one, 3-4 judgment recently it has come.
Yes.
So now it is better we should not disregard Supreme Court
No,
judgment.
no, certain, not now, anytime. Anytime we will not disregard, my lord. But the question is, there is a judgment of the Supreme Court saying that after 45 days it can.
So that you give me.
But I will give. There are two things, my lord. Number one is regarding maintainability of the writ petition.
Correct.
Number two is on merits.
Okay.
On merits, if he has not filed the written statement within,
Okay. You
then
give
it's
me a
called.
note.
Right.
I understood.
My lord, one
Next,
factual correction. My lord, one factual correction. What my learned friend say that we have not challenged the order under order 110(2). My lord, I have challenged page 83 and
Give me a note.
it is there in the
Give me a note.
note.
Okay.
Prayer is also there.
Okay. How does it-
And
next.
what the judgment speaks about.
Two orders in one writ petition.
Okay, let's.
No, my lord,
We'll see that.
I am for
small
the
thing,
bank.
small thing. I'll clarify. The judgment what the New India Assurance Hilly Multipurpose, that is what is suggesting that 45 days beyond submitting
Yeah, he will
this
give
is
that.
a judgment.
Let him give that.
And there, what the Honorable Supreme Court has said, when the limitation will apply, that is there in the last paragraph. They say that, and the answer to the second question, that the commencing point of limitation of 30 days under Section 13 of the Consumer Protection Act would be from the date of receipt of notice accompanied with the complaint by the opposite party and not mere receipt of the notice of complaint. Complaint includes annexures. That will be issued. That will be issued once the complaint is admitted. Under the provision, the complaint has never been admitted.
Okay.
Well, I'll give. Oblige.
Malad, my presence be noted. I am for the bank, man.
Okay, for the bank, Mr.
Balakrishna.
I am for the petitioner.
Next.
31.
Oblige.
31.
31, my lord. That matter is there, my lord. 31, 32, 33, 34.
What is the matter?
My lord, regarding that application of CRZ zone
Okay.
for prawn culture.
You have filed the reply?
You have filed reply in.
Five cases, we have filed the reply.
No.
Out of 5 cases,
You have
3
given
cases.
it-
Three
You have
cases.
given you copy?
Yes. We have
No,
already-
in 2 cases, they have not given me.
You want to file the
All
rejoinder?
the-
File-
All the- I have given the copy. I will file the rejoinder, my
Okay,
lord.
we'll have to this petitioner to file the rejoinder by within 1 week. This is the matter on 12th. 12 for final hearing.
Your lordship,
For
your
final
lordship,
hearing.
kindly see.
Intent order may be.
Your lordship, in
Intervention.
the sub-item number 1 of item 31.
Yes.
Here, rejoinder affidavit has not been served on the statement.
No, I have not served copy.
No.
He has not served.
You have not served.
I will give this.
Let.
And so far as the item number 32 and 33 is concerned, we have already served the counter.
I will file the rejoinder.
They have filed the rejoinder.
Next.
And 34 we will file the counter.
You file whatever you want.
Intent order in all cases. may-
Interim order.
Your lordship has fixed it to
12.
12.
My
Next.
12th December, my lord.
December, of course.
Your lordship,
You want to go to January?
your lordship keep it on my 20th, my lord.
20th?
20th.
20th. State doesn't have any problem.
stay is
Stay
there,
is-
my lord.
No, no.
You are enjoying the stay.
In our land, we are doing whether
Okay,
that.
fine.
Only the-
I want to finish the matter, sir.
My lord.
My lord.
So, much sir, जितने जल्दी जितना
My
सर
lord,
बोलो. I want to finish. Next.
35.
35.
I'm for opposite parties, I'm filing counter affidavit. I have already served copy to the OP.
You have served copy?
No, sorry.
You have for the opposite
For
party?
opposite party.
Who is opposite party? Ki?
LIC.
Huh? LIC.
LIC.
LIC. Okay. So you want to file your reply?
My lord, I have counter. I am
You
filing
have
counter.
file.
Copy not received.
My lord. ଆପଣ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ଫାଇଲ କରି ସାରିଲେ ନା ଏଠି ଦଉଛନ୍ତି? You file in the registry or you are giving here?
Not filed in interest.
It has to be filed in the registry, sir. Go and file in the registry. It is not a counter here. It's not extension counter or registry. So can't file here. Next. List matter on 13. Next.
36.
36.
36, my lord. I am appearing for one of the opposite party. Yesterday I entered my appearance.
Private opposite party?
No. Both are, one is insurance and then the ambushment. I entered appearance for insurance company.
Okay.
Yesterday I entered my appearance. I pray some time to file my counter.
You have got the copy?
I received a copy of the report.
Let him file the counter.
File short counter.
Okay, let him come to the opposite party insurance company. 1 week time to file the counter. List the matter on 7th.
7.
37.
Can it be after 7th?
Okay, let it come on 12 then.
12.
In the meantime, you want to file any reply, you can file it.
12.
Just count, sorry, regender. Next.
Item number 37, your lordship, we are filing the counter today.
You are for the?
Opposite party number 1.
You are filing the counter. Give him a copy. So we have to file a regender. Okay.
Maybe taken on 11th.
Okay, 11th.
Entry model to continue.
Entry model to continue. Land comes with the bank. Land comes with petition submit that. He has filed the counter today. Land comes to bank. So file the regender if any. This is the matter 11. Hello. Next.
Obliged.
Item 38.
38.
May I please lordship kindly pass over them.
Wait, sir, password करो खाली. Password कहीं? ऐसे password क्या नोचो? What is the issue?
The petitioner challenged the order of the permanent Lok Adalat Baleshwar.
What happened? Okay, password कर दे. Next. 39.
39.
Your
lordship.
On behalf of the opposite party number 1, finally counter to the
Matter regarding to accidental insurance under KCC scheme, Kisan credit card holder. The husband of the petitioner was Kisan credit card holder. He died due to accident.
Why did they reject your claim?
They have not taken any step regarding that. They have not either rejecting or allowing.
Sitting over there.
Yes, your lordship.
So why are you sitting over there? Why don't you decide it?
My lord, he has submitted a wrong submission because the
What is the right submission?
application of the petitioner has not been received till date. We have
go and file give a
application asini.
Quebec accident.
Accident ହେଇଛି 3 sorry regarding 3/9/2022 ରେ accident death of the husband of the
you have given them copy. You have any proof?
से कलेक्टर को देले
रुहंतु
3/11/2022 रे
फॉर्मेट আছে से फॉर्मेट रे आपण अप्लाई करले की आ कागज टे धरले दे देबे सना कोन
रिप्रेजेंटेशन ଦେଇଛି 3/11
रिप्रेजेंटेशन होइनी बाबू
application
पे फॉर्मेट से फॉर्मेट रे भली के देबा को पड़े रिप्रेजेंटेशन सब रिप्रेजेंटेशन काम चलै सब रिप्रेजेंटेशन बीमारी हाई कोर्ट जाउनी केबे
annexure 3 page 16
वायरस बढ़िया कोरोना टे डेंजरस वायरस रिप्रेजेंटेशन टा
annexure 3
ही रिप्रेजेंटेशन खाली
no he has
तर फॉर्मेट আছে फॉर्म रे गले से देबो
हमें फॉरवर्ड कर इंश्योरेंस कंपनी इंश्योरेंस कंपनी पेमेंट करी
she has applied
go and file with the proper format. Okay, go there.
your lordship she has filed the claim format your lordship
हां 14 मास हेला हमु करी ना एकर मो काउंटर से कथा ले
अपन टाइमली न कला केम देबे सोना दे टाइम बार anyway what happened to your person what happened
किछि स्टेप नहीं ना
अरे बाबू कोन हला तमरो कोन पय से डेथ केमदी हला
death while he was working in the construction working as a construction worker fell from the building your lordship
fell from the building
yes
केते एदा अछि इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम केते पाइबा कथा
15
टका इंश्योरेंस इरा 15 लाख
15 ना इंश्योरेंस क्लेम होची 50,000 से 15 टका भी डिपॉजिट हेइनी हम पाकु आसीनी काना सेटा माय लॉर्ड ही इज द मेंबर हस्बैंड ऑफ द पिटिशनर इज ए मेंबर ऑफ द छामुंडा टैक्स उटे प्राइमरी कोऑपरेटिव से छठी से मेंबर अछंती आमे हो सेंट्रल कोऑपरेटिव बैंक छामुंडा रो 15 टका हम पाकु आसीबो आमे से 15 टका को कलेक्शन लार्ज
आपण इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम देना थी केबे
हमें देना
as per the instruction of
अरे यार तुमको कुछ भी पता नहीं एज पर इंस्ट्रक्शन कर दो इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम न देला केमदी इंश्योरेंस कंपनी देबो पैसा इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम देबनी इंश्योरेंस को डंग डंग रे अप्लाई करबनी घरे आसी दे दो तो अंकल सी
letter approach afresh your lordship
हां
letter approach afresh your lordship
तो इंश्योरेंस पास देई ना प्रीमियम को जने अप्रोच afresh कोड आसीबो ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ ପେମେଣ୍ଟ 15 ଟଙ୍କା ଯଦି ଦିଆଯାଏ ସେଟା ବି ଦିଆ ହେଇନି ସେ ଦେଲେ ସିନା ସେ ପଇସାଟା ଦେବେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ ପ୍ରିମିୟମ ହିଁ ଦେଇନଥିବେ ବୋଲେ କେମିତି ଦେବେ have a policy to insurance contractual obligation contract ଆପଣ ଯଦି terms and condition violate କଲେ କେମିତି ଦେବେ I have a sympathy for your client but your client has not done the thing that should have been done sir क्या करें बताओ एफरेस अप्लाई करियो पैसा ही देइन एफरेस अप्लाई कोडी करिवो इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम देवा कथा 15 टंका वर्ष की सेति न देले केम देबो
I will take instruction.
You take instruction पैसा देइन त अब जे हबनी कहि देबो त क्लाइंट को आ पैसा न कोन करि करी पैसा देई थांती त एगुडा 9 मास डिले कंडोन करा बोली कोन कहि थांती पैसा ही देई नाती अब
Counter box receipt
instruction counter is not going to give you money na
पचारि whether
जा पचार
deposit
okay list the matter on 14th asu
ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଆମେ ସେଟା ଦେଇଛୁ ମ୍ୟାନିପୁଲେଟ ହେଇଛି
ସବୁ ମ୍ୟାନିପୁଲେଟ
ଆମ ପାଖକୁ ଏବେ ବି ସୁଦ୍ଧା କପି ଆସିନି
କାଇଁ ରଖି ଦେ ଡିସମିସ୍ କର ଆଉ କଣଟା ତମେ ବୁଝିବ କିଛି ତ ସବୁ ଅନଫିଟ ଏଣ୍ଟାର ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟସ ଆର୍ ଅନଫିଟ ଆଉ କଣ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ନେବୁ ठीक है anyway one chance I'll give you. Fine. 40
appearing on behalf of opposite party number 4's counsel, Mr. Amit Shah. Lordship, he is physically not fit and having a throat infection, as an offspring of which I seek for an adjournment, Lordship. Will be filing the counter at the.
You have not filed the counter.
No, Lordship.
Who are you for?
I am appearing for Amit Shah, opposite party number 4's counsel.
Who is opposite party number 4? I am saying, bhai.
Private party. Actually,
Private opposite party. Why don't you say this opposite party number so and so, so and so? Khali opposite party number 4 kar do chup jao.
Actually, I received the call just now. I don't have the.
I don't have the call. Okay. 12. खाली opposite party ये party से party करी खाली time निकल पड़ो जाओ करी मुकल बसी खाली adjournment करे बस सेठी वो matter खाली जाहला time ले counter file करी भी rejoinder file किसी ना तो वैसे matter counter rejoinder जमला लगे
Lordship, I just received the call. Please my ignorance, Lordship. I'll
My
communicate.
lord, instruction may be given, he should file the counter prior to that. It's not that on 12. Prior
you
to that.
you file your
Thereby we can go for the hearing.
you file your counter sir then
Prior to 12.
file ता आगरो file कर दो the petitioner to file the counter within a week within a week from today within a week from today tell your client
Force counsel.
OP number 4 of course OP number 4 okay next
Great.
ଆଉ ବାକି OP ମାନେ କୁଆଡେ ଗଲେ
They have filed counter. All are state.
except he
Comment.
everybody is filed counter okay petition submitted all the OPs have filed the counter except OP number 4 the OP number 4 to file the counter within 1 week from today without fail failing which no counter shall be accepted on behalf of OP number 4 ହେଲା ଜାଣନ୍ତୁ next 42
My lord, in item 42, I am appearing for the opposite parties. I humbly pray for adjournment, man.
adjournment आइला जाके देखला खाली adjournment नेला
My lord,
जे adjournment नेबा 100 टका ताको
original records.
आज टू आरंभ एई केस आरंभ land council with the petitioner is slapped ₹100 as the penalty for seeking adjournment.
My lord, original records has been called for.
ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି ସେ कोन
My lord,
ଆପଣ 100 टका देबे and the said amount shall be payable to the bar association this Orissa High Court.
I beg apology, my lord.
ସବୁ ଏଇଠୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ
My lord, last.
କେତେ ଦିନ ଖାଲି ଟାଇମ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଗୁଡା 2021 ର ମ୍ୟାଟରଟା ଟାଇମ
Original records, ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ repetition ଅଛି ସେ
ଆଉ ଯୋଉଥିରେ
time it may be any date, my lord.
ଏଟା କଣ ଇସ୍ୟୁଟା
My lord, it's regarding the compensation.
ଏକ୍ସଗ୍ରେସିଆ ଏଥିପାଇଁ କଣ 3 ଘଣ୍ଟା ଲାଗୁଛି ଏକ୍ସଗ୍ରେସିଆ ସେ ପାଇବା କଥା କି ନ ପାଇବା କଥା ସେ ତ
unmanned level crossing accident ସେଟା ଗୋଟେ ରିଟ୍ରେ ପ୍ରଥମ ରିଟ୍ରେ ଅର୍ଡର ହେଇଛି to pay the compensation to the
unmanned level crossing ରେ ପେମେଣ୍ଟ ହେବନି unmanned they are not eligible sorry
I am for the opposite party.
sir ଏଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କର रेलवे गाइडलाइन रे अछि अनमैन वाला को मिलिबनी सर नाही सर मु देखि सरछि 10 तक केते डेली सेटा तो करछु डिवीजन हेताउ आई एम नॉट बाउंड टू फॉलो द डिवीजन बेंच यांकर गाइडलाइन इज मोर इंपोर्टेंट देन द डिवीजन बेंच के दया कर दे देले मु दे देबी ना कोन हां बिल्कुल आपण सर डिसीजन मते देखांतुनी मते सुप्रीम कोर्ट डिसीजन अछि सुप्रीम कोर्ट अछि तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट देखे बेले मु सुनिबी आ एई हाई कोर्ट रो वाले को केस रे गोटे सिंपैथी दे देथिबी
ଆମର ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଡିଭିଜନ ବେଞ୍ଚ ର 1997 ଓଏଲଆର 65
इग्नोर छड़ा इग्नोर करंतु आप सुप्रीम कोर्ट देखांतु इग्नोर करंतु फॉर द टाइम
challenging that the railway authority had approached the Supreme Court, the SLP was dismissed.
that SLP dismiss is not the law पर्टिकुलर केस रे डिले भी जाउची हे पर्टिकुलर केस रे कोन हेतला गला हम सेति पे SLP dismiss is not a law sir supreme court has to give a proper judgment that is law SLP तो केते dismiss होई सेटा law हेला बिल्कुल न पर्टिकुलर केस रे कोन फैक्ट्स एंड सर्कम बेसिस रे dismiss हेला law हेला
सेटा ऑलरेडी
बिल्कुल न सर मते सुप्रीम कोर्ट जजमेंट देखांतु आपण सुप्रीम कोर्ट जजमेंट देखि मैं संगे संग दे देबी आ ई टू ऑर्डर कोदरे को सिंपैथी देखि कि ऑर्डर पास कर देले से सुप्रीम कोर्ट डिसमिस हो गेला
तीन चारटा जजमेंट अछि
दियंतु सब जजमेंट कोंतु मते सुप्रीम कोर्ट डिवीजन बेंच मते सुनिबिनी मते पूरा बिकॉज़ आई एम फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल होची मो गाइडलाइन देखिबी एक्ट देखिबी एक्ट मना गाइडलाइन रे मना वाला मु ए हाई कोर्ट जजमेंट काई सुनिबी मु
सेटा से
डील कले भी भूल रे डील करथिबो मु मानिबिनी जस्ट आउ किछि कहबी कोंतु सुप्रीम कोर्ट हाई कोर्ट डिबी कर दला बोले सब हो गेला जो एक्ट होची फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल यदि एक्ट कहिछि नाही माने नाही जजमेंट कांट जस्ट ओवरराइड द एक्ट सर इवन सुप्रीम कोर्ट कैन नॉट ओवरराइड द एक्ट the intention of the act should be respected by this court just आपण सिंपैथी देखाया पई का गुटे कोन गुटे ऑर्डर पास सेटा समस्या नहीं जीवला किंदी हो ना ना बिल्कुल नहीं आई हैव सिंपैथी बट लॉ देखांतु आई विल बाउ डाउन टू द लॉ आपण देखांतु आ खाली आपण को एई हाई कोर्ट दे देला को पर्टिकुलर केस रे कोन गुटे सरकम हेतिबो दे दिथिबे
केस रे अबिदा अवार्ड हेली
हेई तांतु एई रे कोड अवार्ड हेछि कोड अवार्ड अवार्ड से कंटेम्प्ट के फाइल करलिन ताले
कंटेम्प्ट सेकंड रिटाउन से कंटेम्प्ट से कहले देबा को देना
कोड कंटेम्प्ट
नहीं कंटेम्प्ट फाइल करना
कंटेम्प्ट फाइल करलेनी जदी अवार्ड हेछि ताले हला कोड अवार्ड के देखले मते
सर
पेज और को ऑर्डर रे
I'm telling you. That
disrespecting the mandate of the statute, sir. Code लिखा है देखले मते. I can't disrespect the mandate of the statute.
Kindly see page Annex 3, page 9.
Annex 3, page 9. कौन लिखा है जी? पढ़ंतु. Single judge मैं मानने के बाध्य नहीं.
May I submit something? My lord, during this pendency of the writ petition, earlier writ petition, the one of the petitioner, Anita Rani Khaya, she has already got married to somebody else. And
marriage is not the.
My lord, thereafter they have filed an IA that was dismissed by the Honorable Court.
अरे सर marriage वाले छाड़ो मो पचार basic question law. On-man crossing रे death हेले पाइबो ना नहीं. हाँ आपण कर act कोची पाइबनी. Guideline कोची पाइबनी. अब को judgment दे देला मान भी. वो judgment को कैसे बड़े सब बात रे की दे दी थी ता तो मान भी. ये कोड वाला देख ले आगे.
सेटा पेज 10
कौन पढ़ंतु?
It
is agreed by the learned counsel of the parties that the issue involved in this case, blah 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 blah. So is allowed by this court, the judgment so to extend indicated therein, granting compensation. The party agree है मुझे कौन करी? Agree रे दिया है वो. Agree रे दिया है वो मुझे कौन करी? आपण राजी हैं चंदी. इधर को केस, इधर को एक केस है.
एक केस.
अब आउथरे कौन पे फाइल कर दाले?
अगर सेटा से डिले करे जो दवा को सब से साथ है.
तो हम कंटेम्प्ट करो तो एट काहे एक्शन कंटेम्प्ट लगा सॉरी लैंड काउंसिल पिटिशनर हैज चैलेंज आपण ए ऑर्डर को चैलेंज ए ऑर्डर को चैलेंज करछि आ गुटे सिंगल जज ऑर्डर को आ गुटे सिंगल जज फंक्शन चैलेंज रे को नियम एटा सुप्रीम कोर्ट कहला कोनडा कोर्ट सुप्रीम कोर्ट कहला गुटे सिंगल जज ऑर्डर को आ गुटे सिंगल जज सुनिबो ना डीबी सुनिबो
ऑर्डर चैलेंज करू
फिर
नो ऑर्डर तो
तो आपण ए ऑर्डर आपण वे लगा since the petitioner is challenging the since the petitioner land council petitioner submits that this court video petition number 25596 of 2013 video order dated 11 to 2020 in petition number 25596 of 2013 wherein the petitioner has been awarded the compensation of rupees 4 lakh within a period, and it was to be paid within 4 months from the date of communication of the order. Failing which, an interest at the rate of 6% per annum from the date of accident, that is 1/9/2012, till the payment is made. Since the order has been passed by this court, the petitioner and the opposite party has not paid the compensation yet, as the petitioner should have approached the court by way of filing a contempt application. However, the present petitioner has not filed the contempt petition and has again approached this court by way of the present writ petition without assigning any cause of action afresh. Full stop. Hence, the petitioner is directed to file the contempt application instead of the present writ petition. Accordingly, the writ petition is dismissed. Next. Jantu.
Item 43.
ଗୋଟେ କୋର୍ଟର ଫାଇଲ କରିଛି ଆପଣ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଫାଇଲ କରିବେ କେମିତି ହବ? ଡିସିସନ ନାହିଁ ସାର୍, ସତ କଥା କହିବି, ସତ କଥା କହିବି, ଦ୍ୟାଟ ଇଜ ରଙ୍ଗ ଅର୍ଡର। ଯଦି ରେଲୱେ ବାଲା ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟ ଯିବେ ଗୋଟେ ମିନିଟ ଷ୍ଟେ ହେଇଯିବ, ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି ଆପଣ, ଖାଲି କହିଦେଲେ ହେଇଯିବ, ଗୋଟେ ମିନିଟ ଲାଗିବ। ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆପଣ ଲ ପରମିଟ କରୁନି, କେମିତି ଆପଣ କମ୍ପେନସେସନ ଦେଇଦେବେ? ସେ କହିଦେଲେ ମୁଁ କିଛି କରୁନି। ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ନଟ୍ ଟଚିଂ ସାର୍, straight away you go to file the contempt, ଯାଉ contempt।
Not other way not. My lord, in that case, in the first case, 1960, that is my case. I heard argument people this one. And this honorable court taking several decisions. And several
sir, se several decision ta mate supreme court gote dekhandu to se ta kahi dekhe paru nanti apana?
supreme court dismissal
the dismissal is not a judgment sir. Particular case jayeki supreme court dharantu, particular case jayeki supreme court SLP re dismiss hegala, that is not a judgment, that is binding on the court. Supreme court ଯେତେବେଳେ ପୁରା detail order ଦିଏ, judgment ପୁରା ଲେଖିବେ, ସେତେବେଳେ that is binding। ଆଉ ଏମିତି ଆପଣ ଇଏ କରିଦେଲେ 141 binding, but ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେଟା law ହେଇଥିବ। ଆପଣ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ସେଠି contempt file ରେ, ଆଉ କିଛି କହନ୍ତୁନି। ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ second read lie ଯେ ଏଇ same order against second read କେମିତି lie କରିବ, same cause of action କେମିତି lie କରିବ?
ନାଇଁ ସେ କଥା କହିନି, ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି the second read for enforcing the order passed by earlier is unmaintainable.
Not maintainable. No, wrong it is. Not maintainable. Same cause of action ଯଦି ସେ ଆପଣ subsequent cause of action କଣ ଥିବ, that is different। ଆପଣ ଏଠି ସେଇଥିରେ ଆପଣ already order pass ହେଇଛି, ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ସେ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି
enforcing the order,
enforcing ଆପଣ ଏଇଟା କରନ୍ତୁ, contempt file କରନ୍ତୁ, file the contempt।
permission ଦେଲେ
हाँ the petition is granted liberty to file the appropriate application for enforcement with the contempt likhde is granted liberty to file contempt application for violation of the court order that so and so hala। Next
Item 43.
May I please? An application for non-consideration of my application for payment of a compensation under compensation scheme for women victims, survivors of sexual assault and other crimes, 2018 mention.
You've got something?
Petitioner is the rape victim.
You've got something?
No, my lord, I have not.
You've not got anything?
Let him serve a copy, I love him. Let him serve a copy of the brief, I love.
Okay. Serve a copy, learn petition to serve a copy. Next. This is the matter on 21st. Next.
44.
My lord, item 44 also, my lord, praying for adjournment, my lord. I have apology, my lord, I've bought a wrong file with me today. My lord, any day, tomorrow, any day.
Wrong file as time magu
No, my lord, it is a bona fide, I've just by mistake, I've
list the matter in January.
My lord, next week.
How next week? January. Je anything so kariyo January February debi aap paakha debi।
Short.
କୋଉ material argue କର ଖାଲି ମୁଁ କଣ ବସିବା ପାଇଁ ଆସିଛି?
No, my lord.
January ଆସେ 3rd January, 3rd January, sorry। ଆଉ ଆଗରୁ ମାଗଦେବି date।
Item 45.
45.
My lord, I am appearing from the opposite party company, who is time granted to filing my counter.
The lordship had granted me time till today, but unfortunately, Paravis comments I have received.
And they go
Your
in
father?
2 weeks.
I was opposite one.
Insurance company.
Who is that for?
AICI, Agriculture Insurance Company.
Okay.
4 and 5.
So you want to file the reply?
Yeah, but 2 weeks. Sir.
Learn the concept of the opposite party. 3?
4.
6, 2 weeks time to file the reply. This is the matter. January as it. 10th January. Next.
46.
46.
Yes, ma'am.
46.
Losses I have filed the IA to include BPCL as a party, but unfortunately the IA is not active with the formulation.
ଆପଣ କେବେ ଆଜିକାଲି କେବେ ହଁ
Yesterday, କାଲି
କେତେବେଳେ କଲେ
କାଲି ସକାଳୁ already
ଆଉ ଯାଇକି ରେଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ବୁଝି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ଦ ମ୍ୟାଟର 6th ରେ ଆସ ନେକ୍ସଟ
47. My lord, it is a matter of marriage assistance to the petitioner, daughter's marriage. My lord, in the last
you are
occasion,
the job card holder
my lord,
you are the job card holder
नहीं OB and OC जो निर्माण श्रमिक कल्याण
ହଁ ତାଙ୍କର ଥିବ ନା ଗୋଟେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର
My
ଆଇଡେଣ୍ଟି
lord.
କାର୍ଡ ଅଛି
my lord,
ଇସ୍ୟୁ ହେଇଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ
my lord,
କୋଉଠି ଅଛି
my lord, annexer 1, page number 7.
1
7.
Page
ठीक है so you 50,000
my lord.
so I don't pay 50,000 to କେବେ apply କରିଥିଲେ?
Item 47, today we'll file counter affidavit.
କେବେ apply କରିଥିଲେ ଆପଣ
Mr. Mahapatra has been assigned with this matter.
କେବେ apply କରିଥିଲେ
My lord, 28/9/2021.
ଏତେ ବର୍ଷ ଆପଣ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁନି
ମୁଁ ଦେଇଦଉଛି ସେ
ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ ଟା କୋଉଠି ଅଛି
My lord, last page, page number 11.
ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ନୁହେଁ ସାର୍ ଗୋଟେ ଫର୍ମ ଥାଏ ସେ ଫର୍ମ ରେ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରିବାକୁ ପଡେ ଏମିତି ଦେଲେ କେମିତି ହେବ
ଏଇଟା ଲଞ୍ଚ ପରେ ନହେଲା ଆସୁ ମୁଁ ରାଖିଦଉଛି ମିଷ୍ଟର ମହାପାତ୍ର ଜ୍ଞାନ
okay lunch class
ଆଫ୍ଟର ଲଞ୍ଚ
let's see that next
Item 48.
ଏଟା ପାସ୍ ଓଭର କରି ଦେଇଥ ପାସ୍ ଓଭର 48
May I preserve?
48 yes
Yes, madam. In this case, the petitioner,
that treatment acharya
yes,
Hariya
Acharya treatment, and so also the government aid for the petitioner has not been.
sorry
The government aid for the petitioner's husband's treatment is also not received yet. Though sanction has been made and due inquiry has
the
been made.
petitioner died
Petitioner's husband
sorry petitioner husband died
died.
you have taken instruction
ଆଚାର୍ଯ୍ୟ ହୋଇ ନୋଟିସ ହେଇଛି
Yes, ma'am.
ଆଚାର୍ୟ ହରିୟା ଅଲଗା କାଉନସିଲ ବୋଧେ
ପ୍ୟାନେଲ କାଉନସିଲ
କିଏ ଅଛି
ପଟ୍ଟନାୟକ ପଟ୍ଟନାୟକ କିନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ କହିଦେଉଛି ମୁଁ ତା ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟର ମୁଁ କହିଦେଉଛି ଗୋଟେ ଡେଟ୍ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ
ମଣ୍ଡେ ମଣ୍ଡେ ଆପଣ ଟିକେ ଇନଫର୍ମ କରିଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି you don't know
No.
ଆରେ ଜାଣିବେ ନା ଆପଣ ଅପୋଜିଟ ପାର୍ଟିକୁ ନା ଜାଣିଲେ କେମିତି ହବ ଯୁଦ୍ଧ କରିବି ଆଉ ବିନା ଅପୋଜିଟ ପାର୍ଟି ନଟ୍
I didn't care.
ଅପୋଜିଟ ପାର୍ଟି so you must inform them also na
I-
inform them
ଜୁଡିସିଆଲ ଅଫିସର ଥିଲେ ପଟ୍ଟନାୟକ ଛାଡ଼ିକି
ଓ ଆଚ୍ଛା 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 ବୁଝିଲି ବୁଝିଲି ଓକେ ଦି ଜଣ ଆସନ୍ତି ଏକା ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଦି ଜଣ ସବୁ ଆସନ୍ତି I'm forgetting his name yes okay ଆପଣ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଇନଫର୍ମ କରିଦେବେ ଏ ବୁଲୁଥିବେ କୋଉଠି ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ଦେଖା ହେଇଯିବ ଏ ଛୋଟ ଜାଗା ଯୋଉଠି ଜଣା ପଡିଯିବ ଆପଣ ଜଣେଇ ଦଉଥିବେ ବା ଫୋନ ନମ୍ବର ଟା ରଖିଥିବେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଫାଇଲ ରେ ହିଁ ଫୋନ ନମ୍ବର ଲେଖି ଦଉଥିବେ ଅପୋଜିଟ ପାର୍ଟି କାଉନସିଲ ଆଉ ନହେଲେ କେମିତି ଜଣେଇବେ ଲେଟ୍ସ ସି
Monday.
ମଣ୍ଡେ ଆସ
Okay.
49.
49 criminal revision
In the 3 criminal divisions, the prayer has been made to cause the cognizance at page 28. Cognizance has been taken under section 20C 2B3C of the Odisha Forest Act 1972.
what is the
My lord, case is that
allegation against you
my lord, case is that so one UD case was instituted at the instance of one Jatindra Kumar Sahu Forester Bombadi Station on 28 January 2021. Your lordship, I have annexed it by annexation at page 16. Here, he has stated that the forester has stated that on that day, he was doing patrolling duty in the Pedipokori Reserve Forest, Banbari section. he found that one proclaimed machine, yellow color proclaimed machine excavator model number 2 was engaged in uprooting trees for the purpose of road construction. The operator of the machine fled away from the spot, and thereafter this case was on that is violation of sections 27(3)(c) and section
What commission, what offense he committed?
section 27(3)(c) of the Forest Act. I'm coming, my lord. I'll show you, lordship. Then that UT case was converted to a 2BCC case, my lord. Lordship, kindly see page 18, annexure 2, my lord.
18.
It's page 18, my lord.
Okay.
That is violation of under section 27(2)(b)(3)(c) and section 80.
What is 27(2)?
My lord, section 27(2)(b) says, my lord, any person who in a reserve forest causes any damage by negligence in felling any tree or cutting or dragging.
Cutting tree illegally.
Yes, my lord.
That is okay.
My lord,
So
my
then
lord, I'm not coming, my lord, in that. My lord, that is a my lord.
you have not.
My lord, no, my lord. We are not found there, my lord. But allegation is that, my lord, we have not involved in that case, my lord.
Then
but your lordship can see section 85. My lord, another section is also added there, my lord. Page 2, annexure 2. Section 2B, section 2B3C and 85 the Odisha Forest Act.
Yes.
My lord, I am now, my lord, we are coming under that, my lord. Section 85.
ଗଛ ଆପଣ କାଟୁ ନଥିଲେ?
ନାଇଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା, ଗଛ କାଟୁନଥିଲୁ, କିଛି କରୁନଥିଲୁ.
କଣ ମେସିନ୍ ପୁଣି ଆମର allegation କଣ machine ରେ ଗଛ କାଟୁଥିଲେ ବୋଲି?
ନା machine, that is the allegation. That is the
କାଟୁ ନଥିଲେ କେମିତି କହିଲେ?
my lord, 85 ରେ କାହିଁ ନାଇଁ ଆମେ କାଟୁନଥିଲୁ, my lord. I'm coming. How, my lord? ସେମାନେ ଅଲଗା ଲୋକମାନେ କାଟୁଥିଲେ, the other
How do I know that?
my lord, one Mohammed Hassan.
Officer had said that you are cutting, you are cutting.
No.
How can I disbelieve this?
No, against us, my lord.
Anything to say?
My lord, final PR has been submitted, my lord. What I, my lord, I want to point out, my lord, allegations against, my lord, one Mohammed Hussain, Mahesh Singh, Arvind Kumar Singh, Lalbhon Thana.
Charge sheet ହେଇଛି? Charge sheet ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ ହେଇଛି?
My lord, ସେ ଜାଗା ଆସିଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା। ଏଇ ଯୋଉ 2BCC case ହେଲା ଆଜ୍ଞା, 85 section ଟା ହଉଛି, that is abatement, my lord. You lord, see, can you see section 85? Punishment for abatement of forest offences. Whoever abates the commission of the forest offence shall be punished with the punishment provided for the offence. So 2B cases, CC cases has been instituted, and section 85, during interrogation, those persons said in their 161 statement before the police, that at the instance of the present petitioners, they have constructed the road, for the because they are the directors of one Prakash Industries. So, that is why, section 85 in the 2BCC case, along with other sections 26, 2B, 3C, and section 85 of the old
Let's
Act.
go to the charge sheet. Where is the charge sheet?
My lord. Final PR, you can see annexure 3.
I'm there only.
My lord. Final PR.
Your name is?
My lord, here, my lord, our name is Ashok Kumar Chaturvedi.
Okay.
Deepak Das. And my lord, Devendra Patra, my lord. They are the officials of the Prakash Industries, my lord.
Your name, you are also official of the
three petitioners are the official. My lord, 2 persons are the vice president of the company, and another is the official of the Prakash Industries, my lord.
The କୋଉ ଜଙ୍ଗଲ ଏଟା?
ପଦପୋଖରୀ reserve forest, my lord. Bombari, Champua.
District? District?
Champua, my lord, Keonjhar.
Okay.
Here, my lord, charge sheet has been filed, my lord. This final PR has been submitted, my lord, under section 27(2)(b), 3C, and section 56 of the Forest Act. Section 85 is not there. That abatement part, my lord, is not there. What investigation, my lord, I have state, my lord, annexure 2. Sorry, in the annexure 3, my lord. In the annexure 3, my lord, your lordship, if your lordship will come to annexure 3 as page 20, my lord. Your lordship kindly see. I'm referring, my lord, to page 21. During interrogation, Mr. Hossein Raja, he told that he had sent his proclaimed vehicle to Panigrahi Reserve Forest for road construction related as per the verbal instruction of Sri Santonu Bhai.
ଆପଣ ସେ ଭିତରେ road construction କରୁଥିଲେ? Forest ଭିତରେ?
ଅନ୍ୟ ଲୋକମାନେ ଆଜ୍ଞା road construction କରୁଥିଲେ.
I'm asking, forest ଭିତରେ road construction is not permitted also?
No, that is not permitted, my lord.
Iron ore is there. So,
no, my lord. We are the, my lord, we are the vice president of the Prakash Industry.
Sir, vice president କଣ କରୁଥିଲା ଯାଇକିରି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆମେ 85 ରେ ବି ନାହୁଁ. Abatement ରେ ବି ଯଦି ଆଜ୍ଞା ଫାଇଲ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ବୁଝି ପାରିଲି ଆଜ୍ଞା. 27
ଏଟା ଆପଣ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି?
ଆମେ ଆସିଛୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା cosing of the cognizance
against କରିବି ମୁଁ କିଛି କରିବି
ନାଇଁ 85 ଟା ନାହିଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା
ବିଲକୁଲ ନାହିଁ
ମାନେ ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ଖାଲି ସେତିକି ଆଜ୍ଞା
face the trial
मेरे
सतवारू
आज्ञा
ट्रायल फेस करो
मेरे 27 2
प्रकाश
बी
इंडस्ट्री तो जो इंडस्ट्री
नहीं आज्ञा हमें से जगह सिंस बिकॉज़ वी आर द ऑफिसर ऑफ द
आपण गले कम पे सेठी की ताले
हमें जाइनु आज्ञा
तो फिर आपण नारे केंदी आइला
आम नारे आसला सिंस बिकॉज़ द पर्सन्स मिलट हु आर अरेस्टेड मिलट दे हैव मिलट व्हाइल इंटरोगेटिंग द थिंग्स मिलट दे हैव सबमिटेड बिफोर द पुलिस
सत कथा
ऑन आवर इंस्ट्रक्शन मिलट यार मिलट
सत कथा कहछन से
नहीं हमें आसो अबेटमेंट रे आज्ञा
एबेटमेंट हेले भी पनिशमेंट तो अछि ना
नहीं अबेटमेंट हमको ये है नहीं आज्ञा
कोन
से माने चार्ज शीट आईटी
ए टेक्निकली जानत आपण फेस करो
हमें 20 आज्ञा फॉर ए मोमेंट मिलट आई एम अगेन कमिंग टू 27 2 बी
फॉरेस्ट रे खाई गेले भी सब
नहीं आज्ञा हमें सेथिरे नाउ जदी आज्ञा हमें सेथिरे थांतु आज्ञा वी हैव ए केस मिलट 27 2 बी ये लॉर्डशिप फॉर ए मोमेंट मिलट
मोर देन 400
एमती लोक माने आसी कि सब देश को फॉरेस्ट को बर्बाद कर सके
नहीं हमर हम अगेंस्ट फॉरेस्ट ऑफेंस जोटा लगा हिचे आज्ञा सेटा से ऑफेंस हमर नो
छाड़ा दे सर किछ
तल मु गोटे नोट दउचे आज्ञा ए बाबत दउचे कि आपण फॉर ए मोमेंट मिलट इफ योर लॉर्डशिप विल कम टू मिलट योर लॉर्डशिप काइंडली कम टू अगेन सेक्शन 27 अगेन मिलट मिलट से सेक्शन 27 ला 2 टा को पढू छै एनी पर्सन हु इन ए रिजर्व फॉरेस्ट causes any damage by negligence in felling any tree or cutting or dagging any timber or removing any forest produce. Any person Millard who is in reserve forest clears or breaks up any land for cultivation or for any other purposes or cultivates or attempts to cultivate any land in any manner or puts up Millard that apart Millard this offense is compoundable. I have also filed a miscase Millard.
which compound which
This offense Millard 27 2B.
जानतो सेठ ताले
टिके गोटे से जगह टिके ते जाय पिटिशन
सब कंपाउंड ले थिबो
Millard, I am suing Millard. I am suing the law.
then why have you come here
Millard, I am suing the law. Millard, since
if
because
compoundable then you should have
Millard, since because Millard, the order taking cognizance has already been taken. Again, set us cognizance पूर्व compound हिली पार था ये लॉर्डशिप फॉर ए मूवमेंट Millard can see section 72 Millard and say rule 5 Millard. Rule 5 compounding of the offences Millard.
ओरिसा फॉरेस्ट दे मो कोन देखु छ आपण दे पर बसी के अने बस
लोकल
कोडी को बही अछि त पाइ देखि जानि जाना दिके केते वर्ष लागियो
Millard, section 4 inquiry thereafter Millard compounding of offences. When a forest offence is detected, a preliminary inquiry may be held by a forester in charge of a section who shall forward his inquiry report along with the report in form 1 to the range officer concerned soon after his preliminary inquiry is completed. Ma'am?
एडी इनका रिपोर्ट अछि
इनका रिपोर्ट अछि
इनका रिपोर्ट रे आपन का अगेंस्ट अछि
yes हाँ
then
माने that is compoundable Millard, that is compoundable Millard. Section 4 जो inquiry टा हबो आगे ये लॉर्डशिप कैन सी section 5 में Millard, rule 5 thereafter Millard, section 72 also Millard. Compounding of offence. Every accused who agrees under Rule 4 to get the offence compounded shall immediately deposit in advance an amount as determined by the forest officer. Not
गोटे प्रोविजन अछि किटा आउ नाही आपन का अगेंस्ट रे आपन कोन अछि
am against रे आगे किछि नै am against तो 85 थिला फाइनल पीआर आगे जोटा को कॉलेज
ओडा फाइनल से चार्ज शीट देखले
2BCC आगे देखंतु 2BCC रे आगे आपण प्रथमे सर देखंतु पेज
चार्ज शीट कोड अछि
मेरा चार्ज शीट
चार्ज शीट
आगे चार्ज शीट होछि आगे अनेक्सर 3
नेक्स्ट 3
मेला
page 20
मेला एलसी कैन सी पेज 24
सेक्शन 56 कोन
सेक्शन सीजर ऑफ द व्हीकल
the सीजर हैला ठीक अछि एटा गला सीजर
मेरा वायोलेटेड अंडर सेक्शन 2B3C 2B3C आसीबे के जो माने सेठी काटुथिबे आमे माने आसी 85 रे गया 85 हैज नॉट बीन एडेड इन द चार्ज शीट इट जोटा कि 2BCC रे 85 टा जोड़ा हितला अबेटेड हिसाब रे गया अबेटमेंट हिसाब रे सेटा अगेन चार्ज शीट रे नाही
407 टा गछ कटाई दिए ते सब छाड़ दियो
ये से सेति के से कॉस्ट भी नहीं गया से जो कंपाउंडिंग 72 का देखौ छी
गछ 407 टा बनियो गछ से बनिया पे केते
सैंपलिंग गोरा 407 टी दउछन से मन सैंपलिंग गोरा
let's have a glance
इवन इंक्वायरी आपण इंक्वायरी नोटिस दे गले पे आपण आइले नहीं टू अडमेंट
नहीं नहीं हमें एंटीसिपेटरी बेल पे आगे अप्लाई कर एंटीसिपेटरी बेल नहीं कर नहीं हमें तब सब्सिक्वेंटली मिलट बाय द टाइम मिलट द इंक्वायरी वाज कंडक्टेड मिलट वी मीट दिस ऑनरेबल कोर्ट
एंटीसिपेटरी बेल जान तो ठीक अछि
ना तापर आगे हमारे इंक्वायरी पार्टिसिपेट करछु ना हमें तापर आगे इंक्वायरी पार्टिसिपेट करछु
एटा की रोड कंस्ट्रक्शन की करछि एटा
ସେ କରୁଥିଲେ ତାଙ୍କ company।
फिर ଆପଣ ଏ ଭିତରେ ତ allowed ନା କେମିତି କଲେ ରୋଡ କନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ଏଇ ରୋଡ କନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ କର ଏଇ କମ୍ପାନୀ କୁ ଧର ଛାଡ଼ ଧନ୍ଦା ଲାଗିଥାଏ ସବୁ ଫରେଷ୍ଟ ଉଡେଇ ଦେଇ ସାରିଲେଣି ପୁରା ଭାଇ କାଟି ନଷ୍ଟ କରିଦେବି ଜଙ୍ଗଲଟାକୁ
I have marked that statement. Where
କେତେ ଗଛ କଟା ହେଇଛି nothing doing I don't have to do
ନାଇଁ your lordship kindly see my lord, it's a compoundable offense my lord.
କମ୍ପାଉଣ୍ଡ ହେଲେ ଯଦି କମ୍ପାଉଣ୍ଡ କରନ୍ତୁ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ କିଛି କରିବିନି
ମୁଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଖାଲି note ଟା ଦଉଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଇ ହିସାବରେ ସାର୍ dispute ମୁଁ ସାର୍ ସେଟା କରି ଗୋଟେ 2 ପେଜିଆ note କରିଦଉଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଟା ସୁବିଧା ହେବ ସାର୍ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ଦେବେ ଆପଣ ମତେ ସେଠିକି ବି କମ୍ପାଉଣ୍ଡ କରିବାକୁ ପଠେଇଲେ since because the law is permitting me my lord. Your lordship for a moment if your lordship will see section 72 of the act
27 section 27 let's go
my lord.
so 27 to B3
हाँ सर ସେଇଟା ଟିକେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ 27 2B
any person who is
in a reserve forest causes any damage
pleasure cattle permits blah blah blah
or
any person sets free to a reserve forest who is a reserved forest kindles
causes any damage by
fire,
negligence
falls kindles logs bonds blah blah clears breaks of any land quarries stone burns charcoal and in contravention of any rule made ଏଇଟା 27B ରେ ଆପଣ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି
27B ରେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆମେ ଆସୁଛୁ ଯୋଉମାନେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ତ ସ୍ପଟ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆମେ ଆସୁଛୁ
ଆପଣ ଉପରେ ରହିଲେ ଆପଣ ଫରେଷ୍ଟ ଆକ୍ଟରେ ଇଭେନ୍ ଏବେଟର ଅଲସୋ
sir see abatement section ଟାକୁ what I point out below see abatement section ଟା your lordship for a moment then kindly come to section 85
ତ ତାହେଲେ ବିଚାର ଖାଲି ଯୋଉ ଗରିବ ଲୋକ ଯିଏ ଯିବ ଗଛ କାଟୁଥିବ ସେ ଫସିବ ବାକି ଉପରେ ଯେତିକି ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ଦି ଡିରେକ୍ଟିଂ ମାଇଣ୍ଡ should also get punishment no I'm not going to
sir for a moment your lordship kindly see annexure 72 mein mere ye 72 section 72 but ସେମାନେ trial face କରିବେ ସେଟା compounding ଯଦି ଅଛି କି ସେଟା compound ହେଇପାରିବ ମିଲଟ your lordship kindly for a moment middle section 70 ମାନେ ଦେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି କି section 72 ଟା
बिल्कुल छाड़िया କଥା
section 72
forest
power to compound offenses
ନଷ୍ଟ କରିଦେଲେ ଗଛ ଗୁଡା reserve forest who has given permission to construct road
sir ସେମାନେ ଆମେ ମାନେ ରୋଡ ତିଆରି କରୁନଥିଲୁ ତ persons ମାନେ the persons
ଆପଣ instruction
they have been named my lord
ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ instruction ଆଣିଲେ which company was constructing the road
yes my lord ସେତିକି ବି ଆଜ୍ଞା ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ନା ଆଜ୍ଞା
କୋଡି ଏଥିରେ ଏଟା
ସେଟା ମତେ ଟିକେ ଦେଖେଇଲେ ହବ ନା ଗୋଟେ ଏଫିଡେଭିଟ କରିକି ସେଟାକୁ ସାର୍ ଯୋଉଟା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ କୋଉଠି ଓପିନିୟନ କୋଉଠି ଦେଖିବେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର 161 ରେ କଣ ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଇଏଟା ଇନଭେଷ୍ଟ ସାର୍ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଇନଭେଷ୍ଟିଗେସନ ଟା ଦେଖିବେ ଆଜ୍ଞା କୋଉଠି ସେମାନେ ଥିଲେ ସେଠି କାହାର ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ ପଢୁଛନ୍ତି ମତେ ଟିକେ କନଫର୍ମ କଲେ ହବ ନା ମୁଁ ବୁଝେଇ ପାରିବି who has given that statement the name of the
$1,000 number of saplings were damaged by the vehicle. There is prima facie evidence under section 27 2B3 and 56 of Orissa Forest Act. So the proclaimed vehicle is seized by this forest in the spot. It's kept under the Nalmohan Ghana also admitted the guilt. That as per the instruction of Sri A.K. Chaturvedi, Director, Messrs. Prakash Industries, Sri Deepak Das, Vice President, Prakash Industries, Sri Devabrata Manager, blah blah blah. 407 of big tree, 1,000 numbers of saplings in proclaimed excavator vehicle. Sorry, I can't.
Milord, they were not present. My case is that, Milord, ମାନେ 85 ରେ
They were there, sir. We can't do.
ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଦେଲି
I reserve the order.
ମୁଁ ତ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଗୋଟେ
ଆପଣ note ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
ମତେ ଖାଲି ଆଜ୍ଞା ଗୋଟିଏ ଡେଟ୍ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ
Note
ଗୋଟେ
note ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
I will
This reserve forest should not be.
no blood see ମାନେ
এই company ମାନେ ପଶିକିରି ନଷ୍ଟ ଜଙ୍ଗଲକୁ ନଷ୍ଟ
sir,
କରି
that
ସାରିଲେଣି।
କଣ
ଆଉ ଏତେ
for a moment millet
nothing, sir.
section 72
These plywood and all these wooden company na these should not be.
नहीं ସେଠି I don't know ଟା ସେମାନେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି allegation is that
road ବନେଇବେ କଣ ପାଇଁ? କିଏ permission ଦେଲା road ବନେଇବା ପାଇଁ, sir?
no that is not the
କିଏ permission ଦେଲା?
no permission has been given.
Unauthorized କଥା ଆପଣ staff ଏତେ ଦୂର construction କଣ କରୁଥିଲେ? DFO କୁ present କର. Let the DFO come here. ଆଗର ଏଠି ଛାଡ଼ିବିନି। Let the DFO be present. DFO କୋଉଠି ଜାଗାରେ? That forest, କଣ forest?
millet Bonberry
Let the district forest officer who looks after the Bunbury section of the reserve forest be present. Champua na? DFO Champua.
Forester Bombay section.
Forester channel छोटे लोग higher officer कौन थी? Who got DFO in charge? Who is looking after that? Reserve forest or some
district
ना district का गोटे district रे चारटा पांचटा DFO था। District लिखा है district रे head होची conservator sir. DFO होची आपनकर अलगा section गोटे division मान गोटे DFO
sir এটা চম্পুয়া range
district for DFO Champua shall be appearing before this court virtually on 5th at 2 p.m. This can't be permitted. How can they allow the construction activity in the reserve forest area? That is not permissible at all. ଯଦି ସେମାନେ ଏତେ ଦୂର ରାସ୍ତା ବନେଇ ଦେଲେଣି ତାପରେ ଅଫିସର କରୁଥିଲା କଣ ତାହେଲେ ତାକୁ ତା ଆଗେ ସେକ୍ସନ ନେବା ଦରକାର। And these people are not culprit. He is also culpable. How can you do it like this? We are officer, we are looking after आराम से रास्ता बनी बनी चली छी रास्ता तैयारी चलती how without permission how can they construct road? पूरा strictly ban reserve forest रे रास्ता तैयारी करवाटा कौनसी एक्टिविटीज हेबनी सेठी ना कंस्ट्रक्शन एक्टिविटीज हेबो ना रास्ता बनिबो किछि हेबनी। फिफ्थ रे देखिए फिफ्थ नेक्स्ट 51
Lordship, the case was initially registered against the present petitioner under section 341, 323, 506, 307 IPC.
कहले कौन दो एते सेक्शन पर
No, Lordship, equated the section 341, 323, 506, 307 IPC and convicted under section
कौन
29.
कहले आपन कौन तू घटना रे कौन
Here, Lordship, the allegation is that while the injured complainant plowing in his field, allegation is that by that time the petitioner was reached on the spot and abused in filthy language and assaulted by means bamboo lathi.
Bamboo
lathi. This is the allegation as per the first instant of the FL.
They have been convicted.
Lordship. Conviction under for 6 months under section 294 and 3 years.
Not admitted.
Plus admitted on bail.
Finally, finally, are you ready? Are you ready? Finally. So when are you ready?
Next week.
Let's fix it. Finish. I think खाली वो adjourn देके boring.
11:35.
Huh? I know that, but that's why I'm granting time. Okay, let it come on 6th. 6th Rasu. For final hearing. No, 6th, 7th. It's the matter on 7th for final hearing. Hello. Next.
7 not.
7 नहीं.
7 to मुटिके.
Okay, 7 नाले ताले 8.
हाँ 8.
8 था. Okay. 53.
52. 52, my lord, the accused appellant has died in the meanwhile.
Died?
My lord.
Sir, कौन हुआ?
Permitted to withdraw, my lord.
So, खत्म है कौन? The land the petitioner submits that she is the accused appellant has died in the meantime and she wants to withdraw the.
I am for the opposite party.
Okay. Land petitioner seeks to withdraw the criminal division petition. The present petition. According to the
53.
After